Interesting. Okay, let's test this out. Do do. Good morning, Trey. Well, good morning, Jeff. Wow, Jeff, look at you. Jay, good morning. Dave, good morning. Let's go, Josh. Yee, Ayo, Ayo, Cajun. Time to make some monies. Yes, please. Patricia, good morning. Noah, good morning. Jerry Cole, good morning. Money Toes, Money Toes. What do you have to do to, anyways? Uh, Money Toes. OnlyFans? Abdu, good morning. Grim, good morning. Trey, good morning. I said that already. Uh, I know, right? It's very distracting in a sense. Um, it's very, yeah. We might never use it again, but yeah. Anyways, good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Thursday. The markets are loving the jobless numbers this morning. But then again, like honestly, it's always about sentiment. Like we're very close to all-time highs now in the markets. Very close. At this point, Bitcoin should have been at 70K, but anyways, it's very MSNBC. Yeah. Good morning, Rich Silver. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Lizzie. Good morning. You guys like it? Do you guys like it or no? I feel like we like the other one better, like the slow one. This one, this one. I feel like we kind of like this one better just because it's less distracting and we can focus. But this one is very, yeah. Like I said, we might never use it again. Um, Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. A few good names this morning for sure. Not sure why, like American Shared Hospital Services, or whatever you want to call that. Not sure why that thing popped really quickly like that. I wasn't paying attention, but yeah, I wasn't paying attention. I just saw the ticker come through, but I really wasn't paying attention to see if there was any news. There's no news on it, so we can maybe come back to this one later. Let's look at the top gainers list, guys. Yeah, that's what it is, Josh. Okay, interesting. Zoom. Hopefully, you guys saw the news for Vrax last night. Those idiots decided to take the monies, so monkeypox is dead. Well, not dead, but you know what I mean, right? It's down 4%. I guess that's really not dead. It did crash though. As soon as the market opened, this thing went to the abyss as it was supposed to. Why? Because the company did an offering. Sea Green, good morning. Right, pretty nasty drop, and then it found a base, and it's been creeping back up. I think the main reason for this is because we're not just running because we're running, right? We're not just running because like, hey, let's like the stock isn't just running for no reason. It's part of a theme. So when that happens now, even when the offering comes through, as long as it's not a crazy offering, the stock can still kind of find its way back up. So I would be careful at the open though, because that thing will most likely sell off at the open. But this is why it's important when stocks run together as an umbrella, as a theme, because they can always come back, right? Because I think who was it? Was it GOVX that did an offering first, and it still found a way to crash 30% and still pump. So maybe this will be again, monkeypox isn't going anywhere obviously. So these names are going to continue to take advantage and then find a way to go back up, right? Um, yeah, we'll see. Alrighty. Some of these names on the list have news. I don't really care to go through the news. GDC has been pumping since yesterday because the company made a TikTok account. Can you guys believe that? I mean, we can, right? We've said this multiple times. Like, if a stock has news that's connected to TikTok, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Meta, like, you really have to pay attention to whatever ticker symbol that is. And that's exactly what happened with GDC, right? They made a TikTok account, and the stock went up so much, yesterday, and then went up 74% again today. Like it's crazy. Good morning, Alan. Kimbella, Ayo, what's up? What's up? Right? Isn't that crazy? Oh well. I mean, this is why we keep saying like we don't really care about the news. Like it's all about the price action, right? So pay attention to the price. Staff is up really nicely this morning, right? SVMH, that thing's been cooking. GDC obviously, and then I mean, I'm skipping a lot of these names because the volume. Another thing you really need to pay attention to when you look at the gainers in the morning is you really have to pay attention to the volume. If I'm looking at a stock that's up 60%, but it's 4,000 shares, I'm like, yeah, you can catch me outside, right? So I wanna see a bit more volume in these names before like I really pay attention to them, right? So already. Again, we're gonna keep coming back to monkeypox names because the theme isn't going anywhere. But I just wanted to talk about the offering really quickly, and then we could move on. Alrighty. Verb with a nice little pop there, but it's resistance at 850. Alrighty, keep that in mind, guys. I bet you Verb is popping because it's a penny stock and it's kind of a sympathy play to VSVMH, right? So resistance, 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 right? So 850, 860. Alrighty, so that thing needs to break above that level if it wants to run more. So if you're thinking about an entry at this price, be very careful. Somebody will slap you. Alrighty. GDC selling off, right? Trending down now. So let's see what happens at the open. Staff has done a good job holding the 200 EMA. We mentioned the 200 EMA as a potential area of gambling, educated gamble, right? You get to the 200 EMA, you're like, is this thing gonna bounce? I mean, it's a really good level to gamble at, right? You just have to make sure that if it's closing below the 200 EMA, you get rid of that position. So, for example, again, I posted this chart in Discord when it was like this, right? This is the chart we posted in Discord earlier today, asking like, hey, is this thing gonna bounce off the 200? Just because it did it earlier. Like, if it does it right there, then I look at this level, I'm like, oh, maybe it's gonna do it again, right? And it actually did. Had a really nice run to resistance, right? Hopefully you took profits at resistance. But so here's how like I would manage a test of a 200 EMA, right? I've said this so many times on stream. When a stock is getting close to support, right? That could be the 200, the demand, the 50, the VWAP, the 9 EMA. You never touch the first candle, right? You never touch the first candle, right? So I'm giving you guys a secret, right? You never touch the first candle. That's the first candle testing it. What you're looking for after that point is you're looking for the second candle to close a little bit higher. And let's say you gamble off this area, you just have to put a stop loss around this area. Make sure we don't go below the first candle. Does that make sense? Let me know if it doesn't, and I'll explain it a bit more. But alrighty, Doche, good morning. How's vacation? And then a few other names to pay attention to here. SMFL, that thing still has a lot of resistance. Once we get to that supply zone right below 180, it's a big problem, right? It was good, so you're back already. How long did you go for? Be well, good morning. CISO's another one, guys. CISO's done a good job holding support, I guess. T Strong, good morning. Right? Again, this was a resistance level from yesterday morning, right? It broke above it this morning, and it's retesting it now as support. Um, uh, Golden, will you do a raffle? I'm going to buy 400 tickets. Just saying. Let's go. I see. I need to. Let me see how I can do that. The Golden. That would be very cool. I want to do it. I want to do it. Maybe we can also do that on the weekend, actually. Ooh, there goes CISO, guys, bouncing off a beautiful bottom, right? So again, every position you take, guys, is a gamble, right? There's always that element of like educated gambling when you take a position. You're taking a risk, right? But again, so when you're going to take that risk, you want to make sure you're taking a risk at a level that like kind of has a bit of hope, right? Like this, you look at this level, you're like, oh, okay, right? Resistance, breakout, retest, support, right? Bit of like educated, Um, does that make sense? Make sense? Raffle. So there you go. So CISO is bouncing a little bit. I think Paul is in this one, right, Paul? I think you're in this one. I think so. Probably. Because I think you mentioned this one in Discord. La, la, la. Where's the upgrade link? Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. I would appreciate that. I need to save that somewhere, actually. Do, 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 do. Pretty sure I sent it here. Perfect. You profits. Okay, easy TR. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. But not trusting it into the open. Yeah, no, that's okay. You're green in your position for now, anyways, and you bought off support, right? Yeah, yeah. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Jill. The green ball. Yeah, it's also at resistance at 60 cents though. That's the only concern. It only has 60 cents and then it's 62 cents and then it boom skis after that if it can get up there. So again, the good thing now is that it's holding the support. So Grim, you're still in SMFL, right? That thing really needs to break out. It's just having a hard time. Having a hard time. And then AIRI, that thing is coming back to life. Coming back to life. So let's see if we can break above $6 on AIRI. Alrighty, guys? Okay, cool. A Loto play? Okay, sounds good. Good morning, Reva. Azul, good morning. John, good morning. Max, Ayo, good morning. Good morning. Mm, raffle. Let me see Golden Z. Raffle. It says my current budget is zero, Golden Z. So like, how do we get monies? How do we get monies, Golden Z? No monies. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? What's your favorite stock going into the open? What is your favorite stock? I know, right, Gordon? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, Virus. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let me share the link here, guys. Do, 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 do. Uh, mm, there are quite a few names I like, actually. Copy. Cash, SVMH. Okay, sounds good. EMS. Okay. Staff. Nicola. Okay, sounds good. John, those are your favorite names. EPDN. Okay. Monkeypox. SVMH. Yeah. In order for SVMH to pump again, we obviously need to break above that 27, right? Because now we have a triple top up there. So we would need to break above that resistance. Alrighty, so again, top one, top two, top three, right? We need to clear that supply zone. Ready already? SMFL is still failing on a bit of an uptrend there and backing off. So we shall see if we can break above that. So again, 180, right? AIRI, really good performance this morning. It's creating some beautiful higher lows. We also just need to break above $6.20 if we want to push any higher. Alrighty, guys. Staff again. Look at staff, guys. Right? Do you guys see why we keep saying like sometimes there's educated gamble areas, right? You're watching a stock and you're like, damn, Blaze, where do I buy this thing? Where do I buy this thing? Just look at the stock and see what it's telling you. Is it giving you a message? Is it Miss Canada? Is it giving you a message? Right? I look at the stock and I'm like, okay, why the hell did we bounce off the 200 at this price? I don't give a damn why it's doing that. Why is it doing it again? Right? And why is it doing it again over here? Right? So again, these are educated gambles, right? You take it, it doesn't work. Oh well, it didn't work. So what, right? But the chart is telling me like, hey, I like the 200. I like to bounce off the 200 until it doesn't. So sometimes when you're wondering like, hey, when do I buy this thing? When do I buy this thing? Well, you can gamble off the 200 if it's held that level before, right? If it's not holding the level, then it doesn't matter, right? So that's the thing with that's what technical analysis is. You look back in the past and you see what you can do with that information in the future, right? If a stock doesn't care about the 9 EMA, why should I care about the 9 EMA? If it doesn't care about the 50, why the hell do I care about the 50? Right? So I look at this and I'm like, okay, well, clearly the only thing that this stock cares about is the 200 EMA. Do I know why? I could care less why. Am I going to use that information though? Yes, I will. Right? So yes, I will. Alrighty. So again, sometimes all you have to do is look in the past and say, let me just look at this chart for a second. I don't need to overcomplicate this, right? I think the one thing that's holding a lot of people back is people see this and they're like, but what happens if I buy and it crashes? But what happens if I lose monies? But why? What happens if I lose my cookie monies? And then my Vegas monies? And then my none monies? What happens? What happens if my spouse slaps me for losing monies? Like, that fear keeps a lot of people from like, taking that leap and testing out strategies, right? So never lose the cookie monies, please. That's Warren Buffett's, rule 13. Never lose the cookie monies. you know? Anyways, so yeah, there goes AIRI, Air Industries. Nice push. So here's that $6.20 you guys were waiting for, right? Again, like we said, the one thing that I do like about this one is that it's giving us consistent higher lows. The only problem we have now for this thing is that you have you have all of this resistance, right? So just be careful. Again, until this thing closes above $6.20, it's not ready for more. If that thing can break about 620 after the market opens, then we could cook a bit more, right? So the float is nice and small, 2.5 million, right? Not a massive float. Exactly, Grim. You have to risk it to make money. As long as you've done the work to understand your best. Exactly, Grim. Exactly, right? We will keep saying this. Like your number one goal in the market when you're new to the market is testing out as many strategies as possible and losing as the least amount possible. So you're using a small account or you're paper trading. You're testing out the 200, testing out the demand strategy, testing out the 9 strategy, testing out the breakout strategy, and then you can say, you know what, I've done all of this work, right? I've actually put in the work, right? And the strategy that works for me, the one with the high chance of working is this one and this one and this, maybe this one and this one. So you know what, now I'm going to put some money behind this and see how it works, right? Now I'm going to test out this strategy and see how it works. And honestly, people tell me this all the time, but like, how come I look at this stock, the last time I saw this strategy was like 2 weeks ago? um Not true. And also, there's nothing wrong with waiting for your own strategy to work out. Because every single day on any given stock, each strategy plays out, right? So if you see a stock pumping and you're like, that's not part of my strategy, wait for your own strategy. Because at some point it will play out, right? Give yourself a chance to succeed, Uh, Ooh. Uh, Lex, I'll take a look. Good morning, Olu. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So again, AIRI, 620 resistance. We need to clear that. Obviously, we're gonna be watching this thing closely. Grim, it is. I mean, look at that though, Grim. Right? Look at that. So this thing basically went from it went from like bouncing off that support to resistance, right? Grim. This is why these trend lines are very important because I'm watching this stock and we're bouncing off support. We're bouncing off support. As soon as it breaks below that line, it's done. Right? Because guess what? It went back up actually and tested the line again and said, "Nah, this is not gonna work." Right? And then as soon as it broke below this previous bottom, yeah, it's gonna crash. Right? So yeah. Good morning, Laura. Alrighty, so that's why we kind of pay attention to these trends. Like it's creating nice higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. That's okay, right? But as soon as it breaks below right there, you have a big problem. Yeah, yeah, and then look at all of this supply, right? This is why we have these red zones on the chart, so they can warn you, like, hey, there's a red zone. Hey, there's a red zone. Sell this thing in the red zone. Sell this thing in the red zone, right? This red zone has been here for a long time, right? Like it's been here since like early pre-market. So this level has been a problem, right? Hey, there's a red zone, and that happens on every chart, right? You look at staff. I mean, this one came in like after so that one is not quite as but look at this one, right? So this one's a walking red zone. It's a walking red zone. Anyways, $6.20. Uh, Oh my goodness. Anyways, this is another really good example, right? Verb. So 650, right? Triple top. Yeah. SMFL. Yeah. I mean, let's see what happens here now at a dollar 55, a dollar 56. Ready? Uh, oh, that's interesting. Uh, okay, perfect. It's a pretty slow like into the open. The market is really slow into the open here. Well, I mean we are open, but I'm just saying like it was pretty slow into the open. There goes AIRI guys. Nice little pop. Holo is popping. Peloton is also popping for some reason. Not sure why Peloton is popping though. Do I think market goes for all time highs? I would like to see that. Yeah, there goes $6.37. So let's see if we can stay above already, guys. Staff is playing with the double bottom there now. GDC is breaking below the 200. CISO is playing with that demand zone, right, off that same support. So 50-50, what is that, 56 cents? SMFL, meh. Verb, bouncing off a demand zone. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting morning for these stonks. Trying to. Peloton had earnings. Okay, thank you, Yogi. Thank you. And then this one we really haven't paid a whole bunch of attention to, right? SVMH, but it's also at resistance, so that thing had to break out at some point. If it doesn't, then we just wait. And let's see if we can get a retest of maybe 20 cents or even 18 cents, right? And if it's holding, then we go from there. Cool, 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 cool. Let's see here. Make sure this is good to go. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Let's see, we get a dip on this one, and then the one that's looking really good right now is AI. Air Industries is cooking up there. So congratulations if you're in this one. I think just made brand new highs. My only concern with names like this at the open is, like you get these run ups at the open, right? And then it reverses all the way back down, right? So just be careful again. It was a nice breakout at the open for sure though. So 620 break and close and then boom skis, which is how you did, Lion. Let's go. Yeah, it looks like the S&P wants to go for all-time highs. I mean, we're only $2 away from all-time highs, you know. Might as well just send it, right, guys? Right? Right. La 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 la. Okay, perfect. Uh, okay, there we go. Perfect. It dropped to 150 line. Yeah, nasty. Nasty. Staff is testing a potential double bottom demand zone there of $2. Oh yeah, as soon as we want to look at that thing, it's pumping already. So $2.80 for staff. Nice little pop for sure though. Nice bounce. So let's see if that thing can actually give us a breakout above $3.10, because it just seems like we're in the same range for now and not anymore. Right? That thing said, "Excuse me, how about no thanks?" So nice little breakout there. If we can close the candle above again, the supply zone is not that far away. That's the other problem. $3.25. So we need to close candles above 310 though. Ready? There goes air all the way back down. Right? Uh, should you how green are you on those, TK? Like what's the percentage? What's the percentage on those? How green? SVMH is not going to give us the dip we wanted, guys. I mean, we did test 20 cents for SVMH. SVMH. SMFL? Nah, that thing's weak. CISO? Testing the 200, we shall see. Verb? Not really doing anything. Right, just going sideways for now. So SVMH looks good, even though it's not giving us the dip skis. Staff looks okay, even though there's a lot of resistance. It looks okay still. And then air is still kind of fighting in the middle, right? Fighting in the middle. Ish. Fighting in the middle. GDC is dropping, guys. Right? Looks like that TikTok account is no longer uh, safety shot. Stewie. Interesting. Come on, Staffy. Yeah, the dips this morning were way too quick for a signal. Obviously, as soon as we were about to talk about staff, it popped already, right? And then SVMH, I wanted a bit more of a dip, and then that thing said no thanks, right back to 23 cents. So no signals yet, because the volatility is wild. Wild. Staff is looking good. Again, it still needs to close above that double top, but it's looking good. So 310 and then 325. You take 10 cents, Justin? Let's go. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, take the 10. Yeah, 10 cents any day. Take that a few times and you're smiling. 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 There you go. Exactly, Justin. Exactly. So yeah, $3.25 is what it's struggling with there for now. It looks good though. And then air is trying to curl back up to the upside. So $6.60 is what it needs to break and stay above. Cool. So there goes Staffy. Come on, Staffy. Push. Did we make a new high? Yeah, on that candle. Yeah, market open high. Yeah, market open high. There goes 329. Again, the candles are having a hard time closing above, right? No, really? Did it actually? Oh, okay, never mind. This thing is dead then. Maybe, probably. Probably. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Yeah. The kiss of death. Oh my goodness. Okay, so uh what Lion is saying is anyways, let's see if that thing can actually push up there and close above that resistance. Unbelievable. There we go. We're back to testing the top of the range again. Yeah. So, the Kramer kiss of death. I want to see what happens here at 325, and then I'll tell you guys. But it's still fighting though. It's really fighting to close about 325. So there goes 330, and there goes new highs of the day. So that double top is trying to break. Again, it's pushing to new highs, but then somehow ending up coming back below 325. So this is why we keep saying like it's very important that the close of the candle is very important, because sometimes the market makers play games like that, and then you think it's breaking up, but it really doesn't close, and then you have a problem. Just like air is like it's all these wicks and no closing. CISO looks like it's trying to bounce up the 200 EMA guys, so that's not horrible. And staff is looking like it wants to cook. And there it goes. Staff is like, let me cook, guys. No kiss of death. Amp, halt it. Okay. Let me cook. That thing is gone skis. Again, be very careful with this one. Make sure if you're in it, you're moving the stop loss like aggressively high, please. Right? So make sure you're aggressive with this one because here comes the next supply zone. Alrighty. GDC, 550 support. Okay. Yeah, let's see if that thing can consolidate there then. Make sure you're careful, right? So 350 is another potential psychological level, anyways. Um, yeah. CISO. Yeah, CISO. CISO. Yeah. What's SMFL doing? Bouncing? Yeah. Now it's failing to get back up of $1.60, which it initially had as support. SVMH. SVMH. Why do we have such like difficult ticker symbols today to say? Don't blame it on the accents, by the way. Why do we have such difficult like symbols today? Unbelievable. Exactly, Wes. Exactly. So 550, 350 for now is your next resistance. Obviously, that's not a level for you to be jumping into until we close above, right? Yeah. Yep. You can see though, like this candle closed above $3.25, which is what we wanted, and then the next candle pushed to the next resistance, which is also what you want to see on a stock, right? If one candle is closing above resistance, you want to look for the next resistance. So, but you don't want to buy at the next resistance though. So, already, you either wait for a retest or you wait for the next breakout. Otherwise, you just end up buying the top and then straight to the abyss. Stewie Griffin, can you stop spamming that rubbish, please? I would appreciate that. Otherwise, you end up in Mars. Anyways, how is this thing halted? Is my question. I guess the previous closing price is what they're obviously using, but yeah, we'll keep an eye on it when it gets unhalted. AMS, see what happens there. Alrighty, guys. Back to air. Air is retesting that 660 again. Air 660 again. You're having issues getting into Discord, King Kaz. I sent you a link in your email, so check your email. Um, you got the Legend membership. You said you just have again. There's a membership. There's a Discord link in the members only section. You just have to click on the link and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Follow the instructions in that channel, and it's gonna open up all the other channels. Everything just seems to be failing at resistance. My goodness. Uh, yeah. Keep dipping. Keep dipping. Keep dipping. SVMH. And so this looks like a retest, though, right? For staff. Yep. A retest. Easy as breathing air. When you There's always holo, Christopher. No, I don't think so. 650 lion. Uh, why does it seem so much higher though? Like compared to the price that it's at now. Okay, that might be an old one. Yeah. 311 high threes. Yeah. I mean that one isn't a horrible one. Yeah, lion. Yeah, not a horrible one. I like how tight the stop loss was in a sense. Open. Let's go. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I like when the goat members are cooking. Lee and I had a one-on-one yesterday, and Lee just took a fire play on this one. Congratulations, Lee. Woof. Congratulations. Congratulations. Lisa. Yeah. You know when you talk to somebody and you're like, damn, that they're very genuine and amazing. Yeah, that's Lee. Lee's from the UK, by the way. Lee's Tej's neighbor. Well, Lee doesn't live in London, but anyways. Yeah, Lee, good job. Well done. Yeah. $3.50 is about to be broken. So next supply up there. And there it goes. New highs of the day. Oof, 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 oof. Oh my god. I mean, we didn't say breakout like that. My goodness. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. That thing is halted up, guys. Oh my days. That thing popped so quickly, it scared me. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Sheesh. My goodness. Somebody pulled the. Yeah. That thing said resistance. Catch me outside. $800, Abdu. Ooh. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. I mean, something had to send it, right? You missed it messing with Spy. What's Spy doing? All time highs again? Not yet. Not yet. Amazing. If you're in this or if you made monies already in this, type in yes in the chat. If you're still in this, type in yes in the chat. You wanted to jump in before and you didn't, Paul? That's okay. On to the next, right? Sender? Not surprised. Let's go, Nikolai. It helped me with the one-on-one yesterday. Like, look at that. Nikolai's cooking today because we had a one-on-one. Lee's cooking today because we had a one-on-one. Um, what can we say, right? It's again, it's nice to to work together sometimes and fix things, right? Fix things. Exactly, Abdu. That's absolutely okay. $2,000. Let's go. Congratulations. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's a nice push. Oof. Again, so this name was the top gainer coming into the open, right? Obviously, we've said, like the top gainer curse, right? We've also said we never count these names out unless they're breaking brand new lows, right, guys? If you're watching a stock in the morning, again, unless it's giving you brand new lows, you don't count it out, right? That thing popped immediately at the open. So when it pops like that, if it doesn't come back and break below, then it's fine, right? That thing just had to stay in that demand zone for a little bit for a signal. It said nope, 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 nope. Send it. I think say goodbye. La, 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 la. On fire. Everybody's on fire this morning. My goodness, guys. My goodness. Joe, I think I'm getting it. Honestly, I tell people to give themselves a little bit of time. Like when you're in this community, give yourself a little bit of time. Air is now cooking too, isn't it? Yup. Air is like, my turn, guys. And now I'm halted. Air is also halted up now. Whew. Air is also halted now. Beautiful. My goodness. The monies is printing. The monies is printing. Printing. SVMH. That thing is testing a potential support area here. Let's see if it stays above 18 cents though. Right? Let's see if that thing is stay above 18 cents. If not, we're gonna go all the way down and retest that supply. Test the demand. Alrighty, let's see what happens here with this one. I know I was waiting for 18 cents, right? But again, it's hard when some other names are squeezing because then the volume doesn't necessarily leave and go over there. Um, Lestas, new sub, watching and learning from you guys, trying to understand the investing game more. Let's go. Yeah, if you have any questions, Lestas, AMG. I like that there's AMG to your name. But anyways, if you have any questions, please let us know. Alrighty. So yeah. So again, yeah, there's a bit of a triple top there, Josh. Yeah, let's see if we can break above that finally. I'm always concerned when a stock is halted at resistance, right? Always concerned. I love AMG. I know you do. Always concerned when a stock is halted at resistance. Area is halted at resistance, right? So let's see what happens at resistance. Alrighty. Staff is the first one to on halt though, so let's see what happens here. And there goes the on halt, $4.15, 390. That thing is volatile. Sheesh. Volatile. That was a pretty crazy haul though. Like look at that. Straight from zero to the moon. So let's see if we can stay above the 9 EMA at least, yeah. Good push though. You're out. Congratulations. Well done. Right? Congrats, congrats, congrats. Again, it still looks like it's trying to decide what it wants to do. I think the reason for that is it pushed really quickly. Like really quickly to the top of the range and then halt. So yeah, let's see what it does here at $4. Let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see. Uh the MCOM of India. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Yeah. See, I'm happy though at least that I'm happy that this thing gave you like time to get out. If it was halted, I'm happy that it gave you time to get out, right? And should you be FOMOing into this thing when it's unhalted? That's a different story, right? Be very careful. SVMH is bouncing off that level we wanted for support, right? I think we might have gotten a little bit greedy. We clearly put this line here for a reason, and we were waiting for the damn line. But then it gets to it, and we're like, oh, can we go down a little bit more? So we might have missed that signal on this one. I hope not. But if you don't see a signal, then just know that we messed up. But it was coming, right? We were patient and we waited for the support, and it got there, and we were like, yeah, let's just give it a bit more. And now it's bouncing without us. Dang. Okay. Can somebody tell it to go back down, please? Anyways, so staff. For staff, I wouldn't completely count this thing out yet. Even if we go back down and retest, which it should anyways, right, guys? We should be retesting 350, which we have. We retested 355-ish, so if we can consolidate above that level, then that's fine. So if staff can stay above 350, that's fine. Air still halted at resistance at 680. So let's see if we can break above that level and then go from there. Cool. Cool. Dana, come join us in Discord. Come join us. You guys need to, again, if you're not a member yet, guys, Dana, Sikar, Abdu, anybody else, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. No more slacking. The staph infection. Click the link from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty, guys. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and come join us. Cool, cool, cool. SVMH is bouncing really nicely off that support, so that's a good thing. Again, we might have missed that, but it is what it is. We wait for the next one. Alrighty. Uh, Mark is on fire. On fire, Mark. Air is unhalted, guys. Air said, "Hey guys, I'm unhalted. $7." Sheesh, Air. My goodness. Air Jordan. Air. Josh said, "Did somebody say memberships? Did somebody say memberships? Did somebody?" Josh, thank you very much. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go again. Take advantage of those memberships, guys. Josh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take advantage. Take advantage. Alrighty. Cool. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Some really nice quick scalpies this morning in the markets. Nice quick scalpies. Okay, let's see here. Perfect. Uh, Mercury says, "My first time here. Thanks all for the help so far. Let's go, Mercury. Welcome, and let us know if you need anything. How did you find the stream, Mercury? Let me know. How did you find us? Was it OnlyFans? Was it TikTok? I'm kidding. Was it Vegas ad from Josh Nuns? I'm kidding. uh, yeah, yeah, exactly, Josh. You Googled? Okay. You Googled and Google say, come on, go watch hot trades. Yeah. What did you Google? Dana, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Kidding. GDC got slapped hard. My goodness. Again, this is why it's really important, guys. Um, Josh, this is why it's really important, really, really important to um, to have stop losses, right? There's no way on earth that if you're in a position you can react to this candle. No way, Jose, right? Unless your name is Magic, whoever has fast hands. So I was listening to a podcast and it said it was something about superheroes, right? Um, anyways, I need to stop telling you guys what I listen to because then people are gonna be like, "Look at this weirdo! Look at this." Anyways, staff is bouncing back up 350, so that's good. But there was a line that made me. It was like, ooh, something about like. There's a reason why superheroes like hang out together in the League of Justice. There's a reason why. There's a reason why superheroes hang out in the League of Justice. There's a reason. There's a reason why if you want to cook in the market, you have to hang out with hot trades. Not just hot trades. When you wanna, there's a reason why when you want to do something in life, you hang out with people that do something very well, right? If you want to make monies in the casinos, go hang out with Josh. If you want to go around the corner and then thrust like a maniac, hang out with Virus. You know, if you want to make amazing music, go hang out with Dan, right? If you want to cook in pre-markets, come on, where's Grim? You know, I'm just saying the list is endless. Come on. If you want to cook spy options, go hang out with TK. I'm just naming people in the chat, guys. They Google short Canadian. Unbelievable, Wes. You know, I'm just saying. You know, if you want to do something well, if you're struggling at something and you find people that do that thing exceptionally well, or are succeeding in that area, and hang out with them and ask questions, right? So when we say join the community, ask questions, blah 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 blah, you cannot join Discord and be quiet if you're struggling, right? Join and ask questions. That's the main reason you join a community. You ask for help, right? Because that's how they help you, right? Air is cooking. And I think that thing forgot that its name is just like Air. It like it's thinking it's like Air Jordan or something. You know, if you want to make amazing lamb chops, hang out with Tesh. So, anyways, that's my little weirdo moment for the day. Um, uh, Not that there's anything weird with like superheroes. But SVMH is still holding that 18 cents we talked about, right? So again, I think I was a bit greedy on this one, and I still kind of wanted to dip more. uh, but you know, la la la, yeah. GDC, it's unhalted. Yeah, Mark, that's a knife. That's a complete knife. So yeah, that thing needs to hold 470. Okay, perfect. There you go. Was too greedy. It got close, but you didn't do it. Okay. Yeah, staff looks good. Staff looks really good, guys. There goes brand new highs of the day. So congratulations again if you're still in this thing already. Congrats, because that thing looks amazing. Good job. And that thing just pushed for new highs. It actually pushed all the way to 465 and then straight back to the abyss. Right. So 350 is your support area for now. So again, stop losses higher, take profits on the way up, and happy days. Right. Happy days. Let's go, William. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, ARI looks okay. It's holding the 9 EMA, so $6.90 if it stays above. Golden Z, how are the scalps going this morning? Are you cooking? Let me know you're cooking. GDC is bouncing off 494, bouncing a little bit there, so that's good. Yeah. Bouncy, bouncy. GDC. And then air is looking good. Looking good. 725, 730, 730. Yeah, this one's looking a bit sus now though, isn't it? SVMH. Looking a bit sus. Back to air here. Holo's running again, Nikolai? Okay. Yeah, see, like I didn't really like ARM AMS this morning just because like that there was no reason for that thing to be halted. It just looked a bit fishy to me. Let me take a look at Holo. Come join us in Discord. Let's us. Good breakout on this one too. Good curl actually on Holo. Look at that, right? Do you see the Nikolai? Do you see the strategy? That's a beautiful curl, isn't it? Right? Beautiful for Holo. Yep. Beautiful, very beautiful, right? Again, that's a combination of that's a combination of like the gold demand zone, right? The demand zone, the VWAP, and a golden candle, right? What does that mean? Monies. You see it? Give me a high five. Well done. All right. So again, if you're a gold member, we keep working until we get it right. You know. So we had to give Nikolai some slaps yesterday because it wasn't working. So we had to make it work. So we make it work. We make it work. Yeah, well done. High five. So, yep. Holo holo. Congratulations. I think if you scroll all the way back to yesterday or the day before, you're going to see where that supply zone is coming from for holo. So just be careful up there, please. Alrighty. Holo holo. Holo holo. Did the S&P go red yet, Troy? We red yet? Staff will continue to look okay, guys. Staff will continue to look okay if we keep getting these higher lows, because that's exactly what it's doing, right? Staff will continue to look okay if we keep getting these higher lows. If we break below the 9 and close below the 9, we obviously have a problem, right? If we go below 315, then we really have a problem. So for now, clearly there's a supply zone here at $4, which we need to break and consolidate above. Yeah. So let's see, $4 resistance. $4. $4. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, let me take a look at these ones. Interesting. Uh, cool. CISO? Well, I mean, Doce, I don't, you came back from vacation and you forgot everything. When you see this stock, where do you see an entry? When you look at the stock, where do you see an entry, Doce? I look at the stock, I don't see an entry till the very bottom here, right? I will slap the vacation out of you. Um, you know, when you got in at 56 cents, oh yeah, you were in that same position and it broke below support, and you're like, you know what, it's okay. I'm just gonna stay in it, right? That thing has a triple bottom right there, but when it goes below, I keep it. And then it went below the 200. You're like, yeah, you know what? The 200 is easy monies. Easy monies. It's below the 9 EMA, but let me just keep it all the way to the abyss, right? Hopefully it bounces back though. Hopefully. Looks like it's finally curling. So if that thing can stay above 45 cents, it should be okay. 45 cents. GDC holding 470 for now, back to $5. Air is just cooking. Cooking air. So your next resistance for air, guys, is $7.50. And that thing said resistance. Where? Yeah, there you go. Air said, hey guys, you guys like Air Jordan? So that candle needs to close above 750, which it hasn't yet, clearly. 750 and a fail. So again, another scam. So all these wicks, none of them really closing above FFIE. Wow, interesting. Okay, perfect. Oh, Cheddar. Thank you to whoever gifted me the membership yesterday. Let's go, oh, Cheddar. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Congratulations. Yeah, staff looks like it filled in that supply zone at $4 and we're retesting 350. $3.50. CISO is back above. So you're close now. You're getting closer. Uh, Doji, you're getting closer. You're only down 6 pennies now. 6 pennies. Hopefully that 6 pennies is not a whole lot of money though. Because 46, yeah, exactly. But you see the entry now though, right, Nikolai? Love it. That's all I want. That's it, right? As long as you're seeing those entries, I'm happy, right? So again, yeah, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Just be sure to have your stops in place as exactly, Josh. Exactly. It's fighting for sure. Like it's really fighting. It looks like it wants to cook. If that thing can just break out and close above, right? Break $7.50 and close above, and let that thing cook. Yeah. I was in at 360 out of 460, $1,000 profit at 800 for the first trade. What a day! Congratulations, Abdu. Woof! You're cooking. There must be something in the air, you know. Um, Also early, and I play with stop loss. Beautiful, beautiful, Nikolai. Beautiful, beautiful. You're asking if it's CISO enter now, Jason. Um, yeah. You can see the difference between like a regular member and a gold member. Like a gold member is like, hey, I missed my entry at 46 cents, and then Jason's like, do I go in now? Be very careful, please. Ayo, Gary. Ayo, ayo. How are you? Ayo, ayo. Markets are getting slapped. Oof. Troy is smiling now. Troy, unbelievable. Yeah, I saw the FFIE. Holo's really finding a lot of resistance at 62.50. Yeah, that looks nice actually. FFIE does look really nice. See, the only problem now is with a name like this, since they've done a split, is like, yeah, it looks really good. It's up 30%, but really it's not 30%. For anybody that was holding this thing before the split happened, you're still in the abyss, right? Like, what is this? We've gone from 15 cents to 17 cents now. The volatility in the markets these days is wild. Yeah, SPY is getting slapped. Slapped. A is still fighting for 750, guys. Staff is still testing that 350, so hopefully it stays above. SVMH is still playing with that 18 penny range. So let's see if we can stay above that and curl back up. Uh, let's see here. No, no. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Unbelievable. You guys are wild. Do, do. Do, 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 do. Wild. Wild. Ari's cooking. It's really fighting, isn't it? It's fighting. They go 750 again. Staff is still at $3 and kind of staying above 350, which is okay, I guess. FFIE's done well, but that was a pretty good run, though, right? Really good run on this one. Really good run. Na 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 na. Yeah, exactly, Josh. Let's see. Let's see. That thing is having a hard time at the 20 EMA. A hard time at the 20 EMA. Trying though. Having a hard time. As the 20 EMA. See if we can break out here. See if we can get the breaks. Nikolai, sorry. Sorry. Let's see what happens though. Air's gone boomskis. Let's go, Air. Yeah, 780. Nice push. Still seems to be having issues though. Like the candles aren't fully closing yet. There goes the other one we're looking at now, guys. There we go. Boom skis. Let's go, guys. If you took this signal in Discord, type in yes and type in yes. See if we can get to 20 cents. If you took this signal, type in yes in the chats. Yeah, the 50 might be another little obstacle there too, but let's see. We shall see. Nikolai went to the bathroom, guys. He was waiting for the signal too. Sorry, Nikolai. Sorry. I didn't know you were in the bathroom. I didn't know you were in the bathroom. So, yeah. Yeah. Come on, give us 20 cents. The one thing you have to do for sure when you're in a position is manage that trade, right? So when you get in a trade, you manage the trade, right? Nobody will ever be able to tell you how high a stock is going to go. So when you get in, you put a stop loss, right? Whether you lock in tiny baby gains or you lock in a lot of monies, you always have to put that stop loss. So clearly that thing said, thanks guys, I'm going to dip back again. So that 50 EMA is going to be a problem then, right? It's going to be a bit of a problem. So for now, again, 17.50, 18 cents, and then resistance at 20 cents. It's going to be the same level, right? Samad said $700. Thank you. Woof, my goodness, Samad. Sheesh. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. Well done, skis. Cease Mike, let's go. Well done. Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Okay. Again, so AI Air looks okay. The only problem is you're sitting right below supply zone, right? So just if I was in a position like this, I would be putting my hands together, praying for the breakout. At the same time, I would just watch the 9 EMA. Alrighty. So praying for a breakout, like please break out, please go, and it's pushing, right? It wants to go, right? And then just watch the 9 EMA. Let's go, Mr. Chairman. You were supposed to join the fantasy league, Mr. Chairman. Unbelievable. What happened? It is teasing, isn't it, Carl? There it goes, though. There it goes. Okay, put your hands together and pray. And then just watch the 9 EMA, right? It wants to cook. There goes 780. Josh is calling the FBI. That's why it's pumping like that. Yeah. There it goes. There it is. Hopefully, woo! Just as Josh mentioned in the chat. Oh my goodness! I'm telling you, he was calling somebody. The wall is intense. If it breaks, we go. Look at that. Look at that. Whoo! Let's go. What a prayer, Azul. Put those hands together and pray. Pray, 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 pray. Look, it looks like when we pray together, it works. Yeah. Cooking. Cooking. You were in Korea? Oh wow. On vacation? Are you back now though? Welcome back. I mean, you can still join if you want to be like, you want to be like a game week behind. You can come back, right? That thing is cooking. Congratulations, guys. Again, like I said, you can pray when it's at resistance to just watch the 9 EMA, right? As long as the blue line is holding, you're fine, right? As long as it's holding support, you're fine. So this is what I mean when I tell people like, hey, yes, the golden candle is really important, but you cannot just use the golden candle on its own, right? Anytime you use an indicator, you have to combine that with something else, right? So if I'm looking at the golden candle, I'm not just selling my position because I see a golden candle, right? I'm like, okay, I see that it's about to break out. I'm watching the 9 EMA. If it's holding the 9 EMA, why would I sell that thing, right? And it's halted up now, 866 and halted up. Yeah. Yeah. So you know, love it.
Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe.
See, the key is when you pray, don't open your eyes. That's the key. Close your eye. That dude was praying and it was going up, 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 and then he opened his eyes. He's like, I have to see it to believe it, and then slap. So let's go, Jason. Congratulations, 526. Congratulations. Well done. Love it. If SVMH is still just playing games with that 18, isn't it? Right? I think that thing needs some like some big prayers. uh love it. Love it, love it. Uh Perfect. I'm just making sure that these are all good to go. Perfect. Give us the on halt. 7:30. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good, Shankar. Make sure you have a stop loss, please. Please, 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 please. Make sure you have a stop loss. Make sure you have a stop loss. Alrighty, don't just hold it. CISO is still just playing games with you there, Doche. Right? It was at 52 cents. Um, it's just playing with you now. Yeah. Spy's trying to go red. Yeah, probably. Yeah, exactly. Uh, yeah. In pre-market, absolutely, Mr. Pablo. Absolutely, 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 absolutely. Look at these beautiful high and lows. Oof. Let me zoom out here. Right. So the news came out this morning on this thing. Right. Again, the news is everywhere in Discord as soon as it comes out. Right. So again, that was a bit of resistance. We were watching this level. I've also mentioned this so many times in Discord, guys. So many times. Like honestly, the easy way to tell that a name is going to keep cooking, the easy way, like if you're playing pre-market, I'll give you guys another secret today, right? The easy way to tell that a name is going to keep cooking is when the news comes out, it pumps, it's going to crash at some point. I promise you, it's going to crash at some point, right? Unless it's like a big major news, right? It pumps immediately and it stalls and then it crashes, right? So now let's go to the right hand side. Let's just let's say you're waiting, right? If you look at this level right there, when that thing eventually breaks, like look at that same resistance, right? Same resistance, right? When that thing eventually breaks that level and it's actually kind of playing around with that level and holding it's gonna cook. It's gonna cook, right? It's gonna cook. Already, it's gonna cook. So really beautiful price action today, right? Another breakout at the open, and it's been holding the 9 EMA like a beauty. Um, when you're watching these names in the morning and you're like, but Blaze, I don't know which one's gonna be the good one and which one's gonna be the bad one. Well, that's what you do, right? Don't be a magician. That's good, William. Don't be a magician, guys. Don't be like, oh, but, like, I just want to know that this one's gonna be the good one. Oh my God, right? Don't do that, right? All of these charts look like that, right? Let me look at STAF. Let's go back to pre-market, right? There's a point in the chart where the news comes out. Maybe this one's gonna prove me wrong, but right. There's a point in the chart where this one looks a bit different, doesn't it? There's a point in the chart though where like again it hits a wall after pumping, and then you go to the right hand side. You wait, you wait. It's still the same supply. When that thing breaks above that level, eventually though, it cooks, right? I mean, this one was only like what? And actually, it did push all the way to 460, right? Air is unhalted, by the way, and it's still sitting in the same area there. So that gives you the time to take profits or set a stop loss. Alrighty. So most of those stocks look like that, right? Most of those stocks look like that, where like again they run at some point and then they sell off, right? And then you come for the second breakout. I promise you, if you're always waiting for round two on a stock that has a catalyst, you will never be screwed for the most part. For the most part, right? Because I see people all the time, they're like they see news on a stock and then the stock is pumping and then they jump in and then all of a sudden the stock is crashing to all the way back to where it came from. They're like, how do I know when it's going to keep going? I'm like, why are you guessing, right? So anyways, so again, a little bit of resistance up there. Watch that 9 EMA again for support and then go from there. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Cool. Bloodbath. Yeah, I think that thing had its run. That thing had its run. Uh, did that thing? Did oh yeah, it dipped again to the same level we wanted, right? So to the same range, SVMH. So still playing with that 18. So again, the entry was 18 to 1750, right? So it's still playing in between it, right? Still playing in between, right? Still playing in between. So we'll see if it stays above and goes boom skis. Obviously, we want that to happen, but playing in between there. And then air stalling, stalling. When's SVMH gonna cook? That thing just wanted virus out of it, you know. But again, it's still holding that support. So, C car, yeah, come join us. Come join us. There goes 1850. That thing said virus. Get out, so we can cook. Alrighty. You're not? Oh wow, virus. Yeah, no, like again, that entry, the signal was 18 to 1750, right? So like it's giving you multiple opportunities, multiple, right? Multiple. Air is still looking good though. So air is still closing all of these candles above that 9 EMA for now. So let's see if we can continue to stay above it. Alrighty. So as long as it's closing above the 9, then that's okay. It was close. Okay. There goes air with a nice 9 EMA test and back to 850. 850. Ah, that's why virus. Yeah, you got in a little bit higher. Yeah. Yeah, you got in a little bit higher. Yeah, let's see what happens here, virus. Like it needs volume. Yeah, yes, we found the bottom for this stock. We found the bottom, yes. But sometimes you find the bottom, but you can never tell when the volume is actually going to come in and kick it in the behind, to go up. So it's going to need to break above all of these silly moving averages if it wants to go. So I don't know if it's going to go. The spread is becoming crazier and crazier if it sits there. So don't like what it's doing there, but we'll see. Virus, don't change your stop loss. Don't change it. Don't change your stop loss. If it hits, it hits. Paris wants the monies, and they're coming for him. Oh my goodness. Come on, Z9. La 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 la. Okay, okay, sounds good, Virus. Oh, yeah, 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 exactly. Yeah, that's probably better. Probably better. So here comes another retest of the 9 EMA. So if that thing doesn't hold the 9, yeah, and it's gonna get slapped a bit there. Are you still in CISO, Doche? Are you still in this one? 52 cents? William? Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, it's holding the 9 really well, but it's gonna need to stay above it. Dana? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let me take a look at the permissions in this thing, actually. Peloton? Yeah, I really haven't looked at Peloton. I know they had news this morning. I just haven't looked at it. Do you have a question for Peloton? I can take a look. I can take a look if you have a question. We're just busy looking at air as it's holding the 9 EMA here. Holding Z9. V9 EMA. There it goes. There it goes. New highs of the day, 880. Sheesh. That might be a scam candle though. If that thing doesn't close above 860, it's going to be a scam. If it doesn't close above 860, that thing will get slapped so hard, it's going to forget, how to breathe. Yeah. So it's going to need to close that candle. There's 17 seconds left on it. It's fighting. Again, that's the importance of like the 9 EMA there, though, right? So you see how those candles go below, but they keep closing above the 9? That's completely fine. Right? That is completely okay. Again, it needs to close above. Close above. Air is like, don't worry, guys. I got you. I got you. It closed above and then pumped it to $9. Oof. Air is cooking. Sheesh, that was a beautiful hold, by the way. That chart looks nice. This chart is actually done really well. That's why Pablo wanted me to pull this chart up for you. Go back and look at the chart because it's actually done quite well. Quite well. Really good looking chart. So yeah. Mm, there you go, $9.10. Congratulations if you're in this one, guys. Congrats, congrats. Make sure you pay yourself on the way up, please. Please, please, please. Make sure you pay yourself on the way. You got stopped? Sorry, Jack. Sorry, sorry. I did nothing. Stop messing with Spy, please, and thank you. I did nothing. I'm innocent. It's Troy and Virus messing with you know, messing with Spy. Uh, yeah. Congratulations, Abdu. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Well done. SVMH, yeah, that thing just, again, like the volume just wouldn't come through to the upside, right? Clearly the money was going somewhere else. So that's the thing with, again, you pick the bottom and it bounces a little bit, but the volume doesn't come in for follow through. There's nothing you can do, right? Zero. So yeah, that's why I don't like moving that stop loss virus, because I feel like the stop hits no matter where you put it. So you know we put it somewhere you like instead. There goes $9.20. $9.20. Will you have another chance to buy Peloton on a dip? I'll take a look in a second. I'll take a look. Troy, see, today might be the only day that it might actually end the day completely red, and then tomorrow red, and then pump it on Friday. Well, actually, tomorrow is Friday, so yeah, we might just end on the next 2 days in the red. No, exactly, exactly, virus, exactly. Can't win them all. Exactly. You're buying some spy calls? Okay. Some spy calls. Yeah, exactly, Christopher. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. 90% of the time your stop loss hits, you know? So yeah, you want to make sure that stop loss is somewhere that, if it hits, you're like, you know what? I'm okay with this. I'm okay. I'm okay, right? Okay. I'm okay. You know? Not just a positive speech. Oh yeah, he's speaking tomorrow. Interesting. Okay. Maybe this is just a sell off into him speaking, just like we had that sell off into like FOMC, right? Minutes. So yeah, could be. And at this point, you would expect them to, everything they say to lean towards a cut. So he might say something and then boom skis, boom skis. So yeah, sell off today and then pump tomorrow. Sounds good. Jax, no more long positions. Unbelievable. You went long, didn't you? And then the market said, she's long. Slap it. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, GDC's been looking weak. There's really nothing to see there. Staff kind of looks like it's retesting somewhat of a base around the 200s. And SMFL, man, that thing went to the abyss. Right. This is why it's really important sometimes to guys to take that initial warning, because the warning for this stock was the break of the trend, right? Resistance supply zone, right? I mean, breaking below the 200 was a pretty big one too, right? As soon as it's like below that, it's been selling off. Sometimes when you have that warning sign, just take it. uh, both ways. It's gone green to red. Green to red, yeah. Volatility, volatility. Look at this beautiful stock, guys. Look at this beauty. Like, look at how well it's riding the blue line. Look at that. The blue line is your best friend on the way up. It's your worst enemy on the way down. Look at that beautiful blue line. Look at that beautiful. So when that thing closes below that line, it's gonna get slapped. Yeah. Grim, really? Yep. Yep. Yeah. The income of India. Unbelievable. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Air is done really well with the breakouts and the nine. The breakouts and the nine. Yeah, people will always run to the stocks that are breaking out. People buy anything at any price as long as it gives them a reason to. So if SMFL is just dipping, like there's no reason to buy that thing, right? Because it's dipping, it's trending down. If GDC is gonna keep trending down, people say, no thanks, right? So like air could go to $100 and people would still buy it at $100 as long as it's breaking out. Zoom call, you got some Zoom calls? Zoomies. Zoom. Golden Z, who has earnings today? Let's see. Ooh, that's a nice pop, Josh. Yeah, that looks like a gap fill more than anything else on the S&P. Right, dip to the closing price and then pop. We'll see. We shall see. I mean, think about it though, Wes. Right? We've watched stocks that have gone from like, I mean, think about it, like FFIE, right? From 5 cents to $3, and people are still FOMOing at 3.50. People are still buying at $4 almost, right? We've seen stocks that have gone from, I mean, think of HKD from $14 to $1,000, and people are still buying at $1,000, right? People will buy anything at any price, right? Like it all goes back to retail psychology. That's what it goes back to. People are scared of missing out, right? If that FOMO will never leave you alone. So as long as the stock is breaking out, it's gonna keep cooking. When it's trending down, people don't care about discounts. People do not care about discounts. When it's going down, everybody's like, who do you think I am? An idiot? You think I'm gonna buy this thing when it's going down? No. Oh damn, it's $1,000. Yes, yes. Get me inside, get me inside. You know? So yep. Yeah. Easiest play, staff. Let's go, Nikolai. Let's go. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Golden Z, thank you. Not sure if that's a fun one to play. Next week is the fun. NVIDIA next week. So we're finally closing below the nine guys for air, and air is looking a bit sussy. 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 So like I said, when we close below the nine, it's straight down. Straight fat red candle. So let's see if we can stay above the 20 now. So 850-ish. Let's see if we can close above that. If not, then we're gonna sell off even more. So 850 is your next watch. La. Into elections. Elections. Fed chair. Okay, let me take a look. Friday, 23rd. Oh, okay, perfect. That was a long time ago. Changes in life. Yeah, it was a long time ago. It was when all these China IPOs were cooking, um, or something like that. But yeah, it did. It was fun. Or yeah. There it goes, right? So again, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Easy monies. Look at this, right? Again, the blue line is your best friend on the way up. It's your worst enemy on the way down, right? When the stock gives you a warning sign, take it, right? So again, this thing was holding the blue line really nicely, right? Riding the 9 EMA up, 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 up. As soon as that thing closed below the 9, guess what? We have a whole bunch of red candles, right? Surprise? Anybody surprised in the chat? You shouldn't be, right? Shouldn't be. Look at that thing drop like a tomato. So again, when that thing closes below the 9 EMA, it's done, right? Let's see if we can dip to the 50 maybe and close, right? Maybe on this left-hand side level we can bounce. That would be good, right? There you go. So again, the 9 EMA is very, very, very important for these momentum stocks on a small time frame, especially very important, right? All you had to do with this thing is watch that 9 and it's holding, holding, holding. Oh, it's closing below. Yeah, thanks. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye, my. How'd that song go again? Anyways, your stop loss hit at 840. Congratulations. You made money still, right, Jason? Done for the day. You made money, right? I think you did. So good thing you had a stop loss, because I mean, look at this now. You would be at $8. So even if it goes back up, that's okay. Like no regrets at all. GDC with a nice little double bottom pop, actually. Wow. That 470 we talked about, actually. That 470 was nice. That was nice. Uh, let's see here. Actually, I'm looking for GDC. There you go. La, 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 la. SMX volume is ooh, Pablo, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Let me take a look. SMX. Why do I feel like Grim is in this one too? Yup. It's slowly giving us some nice little higher lows there too, isn't it? Let me just look at the daily. What's the float on this thing? TradingView is messed up on this one. TradingView says the float is 57,000 shares. That's not the float. Let me take a look. That is not the float. Let me take a look. Uh, oh, Yao Finance doesn't have the float. Finviz doesn't have the float. Ooh, that could be a good thing though. Mm-mm. Grim? No, I just know you guys more than you know yourselves. What can I say, Grim? Yeah, FFIE is cooking, guys. Today that thing's been cooking. So congratulations if you're in this one again. Yeah, easy, 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 easy money's on this one. Nikolai, do you see it? Do you see it, Nikolai? Easy money's on this one, right? So yep. Next resistance at $5.20. It looks good. FFIE looks really good. Yeah, it was a double top at 490, but that thing said, "Excuse me, give me 520." You see it, Nikolai? Love it. That's all. Right? Look at air, guys. Still dipping. Still dip skiing. Uh, That Josh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on that thing. La, 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 la. Did that thing just drop like a tomato? Yeah, that's why it needs to break first, right? So let me put a line there, and then back to the charts. I'm just responding to this here. So there's your resistance, right, guys? For SMFL. So until that thing can break above resistance, not quite ready yet. It doesn't seem right. So again, resistance, resistance, resistance. So if that thing can break out with some volume, that would be perfect. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Right? All it had to do was close below the 9 EMA and it was done. Right? The blue line is your friend on the way up. It's your worst enemy on the way down. As soon as you close below the 9, somebody call your spouse because you're gonna need to mouth to mouth. FFIE is halted up, guys. If you didn't already, yep. Sender. Perfect. Yep. I mean, honestly, if you're still holding this thing at this point, like, then we're basically just wasting our time, you know? You know what I mean? Like, if you're not selling at resistance after a major run and it's breaking below the 9 and the kernel and all these other things, and you're not selling it and you don't have a stop loss, you might as well give yourself a slap. Unless you have a really good entry, like if you bought this thing at, even if you have an amazing entry, honestly, unless you bought this thing like in the fives, then okay, maybe you could just wait for consolidation and then a push back up because at some point it's going to bounce, right? The problem is you don't know when, right? We have to make decisions based on the information that we have now, right? So like if I see something that isn't looking good, I take my monies. I'm not going to sit there and say, but I think it's going to bounce, right? Because I don't know when it could bounce like 10 cents lower, it could bounce like 50 cents lower, it could never bounce, right? Since I don't know that, I'm gonna take my monies, which is exactly what Josh has done, right? So there you go. Anyways, let's see if we can stay above 750, 760. Just because the reason I say that is because if you look to the left hand side here, guys, this was a breakout, right? If you look to the left hand side there, that was a breakout on air. So then potentially we could bounce up this area ish. Let's see. 750, 760. Let's see. Alrighty. Already. Cool. FFIE still halted up, guys. So again, split completed. The stock is now pumping with a lower float, which is nice. Someone's gonna wake up and someone. I bet you someone bought the stock at $4 that like held this thing till it went back to from $4 to 20 cents and then split. They're gonna wake up today and say, "Oh my God, it's back to $5 now," and then they're gonna look at their account and their average is gonna be $50. This is why I don't like holding stocks into a split. I'd rather sell them and then come back after the split. You know? Yeah, GDC's done really well. Right, beautiful double bottom, and then it's filled at the 200, which maybe isn't a surprise, Chris. No, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Money was made, on that play. Money was made on that play, so you'll be okay. Alrighty. Okay, so it looks like we are trying to bounce for air, which is okay. Uh, and then FFIE still halted there. When is the next split? I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. Yeah, this is why it's really important to have those stop losses, though, guys. Right? Right? Like as soon as SVMH, like yeah, we can pick the bottom, but if it's not pumping, we leave it alone. Why? Because I think it go a lot lower. Right? So, again, if you get into this thing and it pumps up to 19 cents, maybe your stop loss at that point is break even, right? Slightly, but whatever you need to do, right? Again, your goal in the market is to protect your monies, right? Protect your monies. I know it seems a bit like counterintuitive, though, doesn't it? It does, doesn't it? Like when I say, like when I tell people that like this thing is unhalted and it's dropping, so yeah. Anyways, you're new to this life, yeah. Wiki, welcome. Let us know if you have a question. When I tell people that like your goal in the market is to protect your monies, or when you go into a position, like focus on how much you can lose instead of how much you can win. It seems a little bit backwards, but that's the type of stuff you need to pay attention to, right? That's the type of stuff you need to pay attention to. Yeah, exactly, virus, exactly. Having a plan is really, really important. Having a plan is really important. You know when to stop, you know when to, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Uh, for the rest of the day and go finish my paperwork, virus. Absolutely, right? Because some days virus is most days virus is cooking, but there's always like everybody has a day in the market. Everybody does, where like stuff just isn't doing what you needed to do, and then you just step away because your daily goal, like on the downside, has been met. You walk away, right? I think people don't like people like I like that's really important. What virus is said there, really important, right? Some people have a goal of $200 every day, right? A lot of you guys do like $100, $200, and I've seen a lot of people hit that goal every single day, right? $200 Monday, $200 Tuesday, $200 Wednesday, $200 Thursday, and then it's Friday minus $1,000. That's unacceptable, right? Because then you just feel defeated. Like if you have a daily goal to the upside, daily goal to the downside. If my goal is to make $200 a day, if I'm down $200, you know what? I'm gonna step away for a second, go paper trade, right? Like, did I do something different today, or like was the market just rubbish? Because some days the market is just trash, right? I'm gonna step away for a second, right, and say, you know what? I hit that daily loss. Yeah, let me just chill out for a second, you know. Anyways, FFIE looking good. So your next resistance is right in that supply zone up there, right? 570 ish. 570 ish. Yeah. And lose exactly, Dan. Exactly. Exactly. Uh Now, false, we're doing. Let's go, Pyro. Let's go. Pyro says my goal was $200 a day, guys. I need to change that. I need to raise that level. Now, possible doing it with the hot rates way. Let's go, Pyro. Let's go. So yeah, you make $200 a day for a week, for a month. You're like, you know what? My goal was $200, but damn, I've been cooking. Once you're consistent for a long time, you can say, okay, you know what, cool. Like I'm gonna step this up now. Yeah, exactly, Ty. Exactly, exactly. You just have to be aware of it, right? And again, you don't always have to step away, right? Paper trade instead. Paper trade instead. Like if something isn't working, paper trade. Air is still doing a good job of holding that level we talked about, guys. Again, if you look to the left hand side, this was a breakout. This was an important level, right? So when the stock is dropping, we look at this level and we say, maybe this level is going to be important, right? So we are bouncing for now. There you go. Ooh, $8 coming. $8 resistance. And there goes $8. Nice little curl. Ayo, BLK. Hopefully you're having a good day as well. Much love. Ayo, ayo. Yeah, 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 guys. It's really important that we have, you plan your trades and you have like, on the weekend, sit back and say, you know what, like, what's my plan with all of this, right? Sit back and plan your trades. Um, people that plan will do well. Because if you're just showing up to the market on Monday and you're just like, okay, let's see what's happening, right? Um, then you don't know when you're supposed to be done for the day. You don't know what strategy you're using. Like you need to use the weekend to plan stuff, right? That's why we have these Q&As. We're gonna have another Q&A this weekend, guys. Right, we're gonna have a group class again. It's a Q&A. Like I'm not gonna do a topic like we did last weekend. It's just going to be a general Q&A. If you have any questions, write those questions down. Bring those questions. Alrighty? Bring those questions on the weekend, please, 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 please. Cool. Let me know. Do you guys want to do it on Discord or do you guys want to use Stonks again? What do you guys want to do? Let me know. Which one do you like? Do you guys like? There goes a nice, beautiful, bouncy. Staff? Yeah, staff is bouncing up the 200 EMA, Chris. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. So the 200 EMA. You guys can see why people love the 200, right? See why people love the 200? Love. Because again, like it can be like an educated gamble area, for some nice bounties. What's the 200 in this? Yeah, it's way lower, right? So again, any stock that is always above the 200 always has a chance. Yeah. And then your next resistance will be on, like, you see that left hand side there, right? So 365 for staff, Knowles and Chris. Resistance. Exactly, Nemo. Exactly. Let's go. Well done. Well done. So resistance. Discord. And then SMX, again, we will keep watching that one. Maybe set alerts, guys. Right? Set alerts. And then it still needs to break out, right? People don't love to play stocks when they're going sideways. They love the breakouts instead. So if that thing is never going to break out, then we wait. There goes staff again. Here's Staffy. Looking for that 365. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you are not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from night.com. Join us in Discord already. And then FFIE, yeah. Failed for now. Failed for now. Jeez, time went by really quickly today. My goodness. The weeks just go by quick. Uh, la, 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 la. Again, you have to be a gold member to schedule a one-on-one, guys. So when you message me or like when you schedule something on the calendar, I'm just gonna cancel it. You have to be a gold member to schedule a one-on-one. Alrighty. Again, invest in yourself. Because I know you guys message me and you're like, "Can I have a one-on-one?" And then I see you in the markets. You're like, "I just lost $1,000." I'm like, "Well, okay. Um, what do you want me to say?" So yeah, make sure you're heading to the woods again, Raven. Let's go, ciao, Bob. Let's go, Raven. Raven goes enjoys the summer like every weekend. You forward? Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can get some volume there. King Cass, are you good to go now? Good. One second. Perfect. Let's go, William. Let's go. Let's go. Enjoy Raven. Make some Raven magic in the woods, please. Raven magic. As soon as you said resistance, I got out. I dropped and I got my scalp. Let's go, Jay. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Monies. That sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. See, Raven shows up, Raven shows up on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and cooks the markets, and then goes to the woods over the weekend, and then makes. I don't know what he's doing in the woods. Something is happening in the woods, because when he comes back, it's Raven magic. Hmm. Don't know what's happening in that woods. Is Diddy in the woods, Raven? Unbelievable. Who are you visiting in the woods? Is Nancy Pelosi in the woods? Hmm. These blue light glasses on me. Your headache stop? Yeah. Like as soon as I take my glasses off, like for like 30 minutes, and I can feel it already. I'm like, oh. It's always beneficial. Dan? Uh-huh. Yeah, exactly, William. That's who's in the woods. Bigfoot. Let's go. FFIE looks nice again there. So it dipped all the way down, but then crossed back above, right? You see that, Nikolai? You see the magic? So and then there goes FFIE, right? Easy monies. Time for many stocks, Chris. Yep. Yeah, like like I always say, like price action in pre-market is not the same as market opening. Uh, you know, yeah. The lights are horrible for your eyes. Like yeah, the lights are horrible. As soon as I take my glasses off, I'm like, oh, here comes a headache. Here comes a headache. I need to order new ones too. Yeah, I need to order a new pair of glasses. I'm actually gonna do that today. Yeah, you missed the bottom, though, right, Nikolai? Jill, do you see the entry on this? You see the entry? You should, right? You should. Right, easy monies on this one. Easy monies. Can I post a link for the glasses? Just go on Amazon. Honestly, just go on Amazon and search like blue light glasses. Yeah, you guys all have headaches. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys all. Yeah, I did. These ones were all from Amazon. Right? These ones are from Amazon. There was another site that I liked that I wanted to try, but it's a Canadian site though. Yeah, I wanted to try this site. I want to try this site. I'll send you guys the one from Amazon, but I want to see what this looks like. I think I found the ones already that I like, so I'm just looking, just looking to see if there's anything else on here that I like. You see, Jill, love it. Again, Nikolai, yeah, yes, Jill, good. I'm glad. I'm glad. I'm glad. Again, that's what we do as gold members. We cook, we cook, we cook, we cook, right? And work out an affiliate deal. Get paid to have their glasses. I know, right? I should. How do I do this? Maybe if I scroll to the bottom. Yeah, these I'd have to look at something like Amazon or something, and then send that. I just wanted to look at this, and then I'll look at Amazon. I kind of like these ones, Kind of like these ones, Josh. Kind of like these ones. Uh, I just don't know how long the shipping is, though. There are a lot of reviews. What if I click on select? I don't like how they have like the prescription stuff on there, I don't like how it says like prescription, blah, 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 blah. Oh, yeah, there's non prescription. Okay, cool. With no vision correction. Yeah. We don't want vision correction, guys. Oh, you do? Raven, that's what these guys are. I bought 20 pairs, all different colors to match your outfit. Wow, wow, wow. They have like a whole list of like, criteria here. Right? Protect your eyes from blue light with, okay, cool. So that's the one I want. Everyday use, polarized, transition, specialty. Nope, just want the blue light stuff. My goodness, there's so many options. The blue light and protecting your eyes all day. Heavy screen use. Ooh, I like these ones. These ones have a bit of a tint. I don't know if I want the tint though. That doesn't sound bad. When exposed to sunlight, no, don't really care about the sunlight. So either one of the top two. Exactly. So one of these two is what I need. Protecting your eyes all day. I do like that this one like says heavy screen time though, because I like the heavy screen time. But yeah, recommended for what? See what I mean? Like these guys are doing too much. I just wanted glasses, blue light glasses, but I've gone through like a whole list, and then they're like premium recommended for your. I don't have a prescription, but yeah, I'm just gonna order on Amazon. They did too much. That's it. Too many steps. I am out. Yellow tint reduces the glare. Golden Z. Okay, I'll just look on Amazon and just get them from Amazon. They overcomplicated it. I clearly said like non-prescription, but then it clearly says like prescription right there. So yeah. The fights of that make your head look smaller. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. SMX is kind of green now too. The spread is horrible. That's why it dropped like that, Grim. But it's still getting higher lows though, which is good. FFIE on the other hand though is just cooking, guys. Oof. X-ray glasses. Uh, yeah, that's what Peter uh, and Josh were wearing in Vegas. I'm kidding. That looks nice. Good push. Good breakouts. Get the pink ones. I will wear the pink ones. I don't mind. Yeah, don't mind at all. La 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 la. La 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 la. Serve. Okay. Serve. Yeah, it's been a few days since I looked at Serve. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. The answer is no. Let me look at your question. No. So the cross above, Nikolai, the cross above is the one, right? Your job is not to catch the bottom in the market or catch the top. Your job is looking for confirmation. So the cross back above, right? The nine. That's what you're looking for. There goes FF. Ooh, FFIE is cooking today. My goodness. My goodness. I mean, and we said this like it doesn't matter how horrible a stock is. It doesn't matter how horrible a stock is. So when a company does a split, there's always a chance of a rally, right? Always a chance of a rally. Always a chance of a rally. Uh, yeah, that thing's cooking. Cooking. Probably. Yeah. Chris, did you make monies? La 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 la. For what before someone's yeah. Yeah, let's see. Let me take a look at how much cash they have in the bank, FFIE. I don't think they have a whole bunch of cash, but it doesn't even say how much cash they have. I'd have to go look at SEC filings now, which I'm not gonna do. So, Air's done an okay job, guys. I guess playing with 750 back to $8. So scalpies on that one. To Crown. Wasn't Crown a name that ran last time when FFIE was going to? Do, 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 do. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, Grim. Good night for now. See you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow? Okay, sounds good. Stay green? Yes, please. Good night, Grim. Rest well, and we will catch you tomorrow morning. Alrighty? Do, 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 do. FFIE. Is anybody holding FFIE from like before the split? Uh, not to roast. We just want to. I'm just asking. Anybody holding before the pre split? And then what's your average now? Let me know. Just curious. Yeah. When I was in the other group, no. I mean like so no like I mean like now when they've done the split, but you were holding before and into the split. Your average is 149 $100. See, that's the problem. That's the problem. You never hold these stocks into the split ever, ever, ever. That's the problem. $109, right? So someone's gonna wake up and they're gonna be like, "Oh, but I bought it at $2, $3." It doesn't matter. The problem is the company's done a split. Ew, that's nasty. That is nasty. $100, guys. You look at this thing, it's up 71%. You're like, yeah, Doge? Yeah, not good. Yep. You're never getting that money back, right? It's at some point you're just gonna say have to say, let me close this rubbish out. You better have taken that money to McDonald's, because yep, yep. It's not good to like if yeah, 73. Yeah, you could take that monies and go buy like a share of something else, go buy a share of Palantir or something like that, or whatever else, right? So we'll take the money and go on vacation to the corner. But yeah, because sometimes when you have a get some Bradley exactly. Because honestly, when you know you're never getting your money back, but all you can see is a $1,300 loss, that's messing up with your mind, right? Every morning you wake up and you see a $1,300 loss, like it's just not worth it. Just not worth it. Not worth it. This stock could go to $20 and you would still be deep red. So that's crazy. Your average is $18. See, that's the problem with this, right? You hold stocks into the splits and your average, yeah. If your average is $18, that means you would have gotten like at a like fairly good price. You just held too long, right? So there it goes. $6.50 coming. Boomski's new highs of the day. Whoo, FFIE. Right? So this is good for anybody that played with it after the split, right? You wait for the split to happen, you let that thing dip, right? And then you play with it after the dip when the momentum is coming in, right? So and then you'll be fine. Like you did not have to hold this stock into the splits. You also did not have to buy this thing immediately after the split happened. You just had to wait for the day that it was pumping and then jump in. Right? You could have simply just waited for today and make monies. When it hits 74, you're gonna sell one. When's that? Looking good though. So if you're holding FFIE, guys, and you're green, type in yes in the chat. Crown looks like it's benefiting from the FFIE run. Right. So yes, Azul, criminal. These are the criminals saying yes. The criminals that don't hold, but they're just ready to make monies. Let's go, Azul. So again, look at these beautiful breakouts. Right. There's a breakout right there. There's another look at this beautiful breakout. Again, there's a breakout right there, right? Look at this. There's another breakout from the opening right there. So people will buy anything as long as it's giving them breakouts. People will continue to FOMO, right? So congratulations. Let's go, Jay. Let's go, Gail. I know a lot more of you guys are holding and taking profits. So. Crazy markets. Here comes brand new highs of the day, guys. 670. Oof. That thing looks nice. 666. 669. And 321. New highs of the day. August 15. Oh. 680. We're in $7. I'm surprised Josh didn't jump into this one. Not chasing? Yeah, no, you don't want to be chasing. You do not want to be chasing. You do not want to be chasing. There it goes. New highs of the day. Recommendations. Oh, that would have been cool. That is very cool. There you go, 690. $6.90. 4.5%. Nice. $7 incoming. That thing's gonna make you FOMO. Does this thing actually just launch off a squeeze sliced? Why do you want it to launch? This looks really good, right? Sometimes when a stock is moving up slowly like this, it's easy to manage, you know? Nikolai, if that thing is going to the abyss, I would not be looking at it, right? Don't play with stuff that's going to the abyss, please. Uh, okay. Okay, perfect. Stay away from garbage, please. Anyways, $7 would be. Oh yeah, golden seeds because of the split, multiple splits. That's why multiple splits. Yeah, look at this. Look at the 52-week range, right? Look at this garbage. $2,000. Like if you bought FFIE 2 months ago at that high price, your average is $2,000. Do you think we're ever gonna get back to $2,000? You think we're ever gonna get there? But then we've gone from $1.50 back to like $7, which is nice, right? So these companies don't care. They do whatever they want, They do whatever they want. Never golden, never. Crazy, right? Yep. You scout these things, you leave them in the dust because they don't care. They don't care about you. Yeah, Crown is doing well, guys. Crown is the sympathy play, right? CRKN, right? Remember back in the day when these two names would run together, Crown and FFIE? Yeah, now Crown is a sympathy play. Crown doesn't have any news. It's just following along because they're both split names, right? Yeah. They are both split names. Look at this breakout though, right? Look at this beautiful breakout. There's a double top right there, resistance, resistance, breakout, easy monies, right? Hold above the 9, boom skis, right? Boom skis. So 220 resistance. You got in at 194, Sander. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. Yeah, looks like FFIE keeps tapping $7 and backing off. Tapping and backing off. Let me take a look here. There goes the break of $7. Okay, I'll do that. In the Indian related stocks? See, I did not know that. I did not know that. Doja, I hope you sold this garbage, by the way. I hope you sold CISO. Tonight at 7 p.m., Bunny. Well, 9 p.m. When everybody's trying to take a nap, sleep, 9 p.m. at night, they're going to drop an offering. then it's gonna be panic. So $7, a lot of resistance up there. Lots of resistance. When everybody's trying to sleep. They're gonna say, offering time, offering time. Uh, okay. Hmm. I'll do that later. Maybe, yeah, maybe the money's rotating to the cheaper one that hasn't run as much. Senda, maybe, yeah, that thing is cooking now. Everybody said, "Ooh, let's go to the cheaper one." Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Mm-mm-mm. 229, 230, ooh, 233, ooh. Senda, congratulations. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. That thing said, oh yeah, bring your monies over here. Leave FFIE alone, it says. Oh my goodness. Everybody left FFIE for Crown. Just be careful with the FOMO there though, because some people are selling now. Like look at this criminal, right? Look at this criminals. Selling at $2.30. So yeah. Uh yeah. Doche, it shouldn't work like that though, right? Should not work like that. If it's at 53 cents and you want to sell, when the stock goes up, you have to have a minimum like level. Like, okay, you know what? I was at 47 cents. Now we're at 52. Yes, I want to sell at this price, but I'm also not going below this price. NDRA. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, that was a nice retest of the breakout. A nice retest of the breakout. NDRA. You're looking for an entry into this thing? Sheesh. Oh, okay. It's another split name. I can see why you're looking. Wait, what? How? Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing this? So these guys did a split 2 days ago. Wait, what? They did a split 2 days ago? And then how the hell did it go from like a $2, a dollar, all the way back to 50 cents? Oh, this is garbage. How do you get it? How do you do a split, guys? You're like, please, I need to get back above $1. Please, 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 please. And then you immediately get slapped back to 40 cents, 50 cents. Sheesh. I mean, the good thing about this one is that, there's a theme in the market now. There's a split theme in the market, right? Split, run, split, run. Um, Um, and the good thing about this one is that it's trending up, like it's creating higher lows from the bottom, right? So that's a good thing. So, if I wanted to play with this name, I honestly would just wait for the next break. Like I'd be waiting for that 51-20 break on this thing, is what I would be waiting for. Or simply just dip close to 45 cents. That's what I'd be looking for. Back to Crown, guys, because Crown is cooking. but we have the golden candle. Hmm. Yep. 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 Do. When I take a break, play the song. What song? The Thrust song? The Thrust song? After the split, yeah, I think we might be coming up to a theme in the market, and the split is the theme now. FFIE is bouncing back though, so good retest and then right back up. You're welcome, Christopher. You are welcomes. You are welcomes. You are welcome. Uh, why? It's incredible. Why? Because it's going to the abyss. Anyways, back to Crown here. There goes new highs of the day. $2.40. 240. Uh, okay, there goes 245. $2.45. There goes 245. Uh, uh, 250. Okay, okay. Let me see how I do this. Refresh. Refresh. Uh, let's do multiple actually. Oh, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see. I see. Oh, that's very cool, Jason. Okay, it's spin the wheel. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's I'm gonna get some people over there, and then where's the yeah. Very cool. I'm just trying to do a raffle, a giveaway, guys. A giveaway. Let's go. Okay, very cool. I see you now. Okay. Golden Z, don't forget to enter the raffle. I'm looking for the Okay, I think it's here. Okay. Hashtag splits? No, no, no. Oh, you can enter multiple times? Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna do a giveaway, guys. But we're gonna do a giveaway on the other stream. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna this is the link at the bottom of the chat. Alrighty, that's the link at the bottom of the chat. Okay, click on that link at the bottom of the chat. So there's two streams running. One is running on another site, and then the other one's on YouTube, right? So click the link at the bottom of the chat. Let's do multiple giveaways actually. After November elections. John, hopefully. I'm always down for like the game show. Okay. Uh, okay. There goes new highs for Crown. Oof. Yeah. Love it. Let's go. Golden Z said, let me in, let me in. This isn't fun anymore. Well, let's do multiple. Let's do multiple. Yeah, this could be fun. I like it. Okay, let me detach the spin the wheel thing. For entries, okay. Ooh, that's a lot of points. 250, $2.50 for Crown there. Two, 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 two. Let's go, Yogi. Oh my goodness. Golden Z has all the points, all the points. All the points. What a criminal. Absolute criminal. Absolute criminal. Let me, uh, in spin? Okay. Wait, NVIDIA. Perfect. Thank you very much. Yeah, so on Wednesday, guys, just a reminder on Wednesday, there is a $10,000 giveaway for NVIDIA. So we're going to be streaming earnings on here as well. Alrighty. NVIDIA on Wednesday. A $10,000 giveaway on Wednesday. Woof. Woof, 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 woof. Yeah. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Uh, exactly, Pablo. Exactly. Exactly. You lost a point. Yeah, no gambling. Otherwise, you're gonna lose your monies. Lose your monies. Okay. This is fun actually. This is the first time I'm doing it, so like just kind of learning how it works. Crown is cooking. Congratulations if you're in Crown, guys. Again, a sympathy play to FFIE. Obviously, FFIE is pushing back up towards $7, and $7 is resistance. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, Crown has been cooking. So congrats if you're in this. Congratulations. Uh, okay, perfect. Yeah, we can do a few prizes, guys. A few prizes, and then spin the wheel. Okay. Uh, spin the wheel. Let's go, Pyro. So Jason, so when I click on lock the raffle, does it give me a wheel, or do I need to copy the names and then pull up the wheel site? Uh, hashtag spy puts? No, that's not it. The site is right there on the YouTube stream. Yeah, that's because Troy doesn't like nice things, you know. He just had to kill the S&P. Sheesh. Let's go, Nemo. There you go. Uh, NVDA, yeah. I think again a pre-sell off to what's coming tomorrow for Powell probably. Or perfect. Because you're bored, be very careful, please. Super chat from TK. Because Pi, my brother, thank you for the streams. Let's go, TK. Congratulations. Yeah, you're cooking, Spy. Cooking from puts to calls to puts to calls. Love it. Keep crushing it, please. FFIE is finally breaking $7 again, guys. So clearly the theme today is splits. So we might be going from splits today to tomorrow's splits as well. So again, congratulations if you're holding FFIE and or CRKN. Congratulations. Yeah, it's all the splits, guys. Woo! We have a new theme in the market. We have a new theme. Uh, there you go, 750. That's a good breakout too, right? As soon as you break 750, it's send it time. Captain, good job. Good job, good job. And then again, if we move over to Crown really quickly, Crown is cooking, right? So CRKN and FFIE, sympathy plays. Cooking. There goes 270, 50% run. Let's go. Yeah, so you use those points, guys. Use the points to buy. Use the points to buy your entries, right? And then you save those entries too for next Wednesday, so you can get some more. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. FFIE suspended. Yeah, FFIE is halted up, guys. So highs of the day for FFIE halted at 113%. So again, congratulations if you're in this one. 225. Okay, good job, Carl. Good job. Yeah, I think your membership expired too, Carl. So you might have to renew. No, that's all, Troy. I'm not smiling that the S&P is dipping. Not smiling. Okay, okay. Let's Yeah. Ayo ye ayo ayo. Hi hi hi. Okay, let's pick a winner, guys, and then let's do another one. Okay. Spin. Okay, locking. I'm gonna detach this so then I can. Okay. Okay. Let's put this over here. Okay. Are you guys ready? Ooh. Oh, it's gonna split it up. Okay, we should have done the full thing then, Jason. Okay. Yeah. Again, this is my first time, guys, so I apologize. It's gonna spin it. It's gonna break it up into like prizes. So Yogi has a pretty big market share in this. If Yogi loses, I don't know how that's. Yogi, my goodness. Look at this, guys. Look at everybody with their one entries, and then there's Yogi and Golden Z. Spin me. Look at the odds. I know, right? So we're gonna do this spin and then do another one. And then Yogi, if you win, you can spin. That's a pretty of course he won. He cornered the market. Of course he did. So Yogi's won, guys. Uh Yogi's won the giveaway. What a shock. I know, right? Unbelievable. Okay, let's do another one. This is fun. Uh let's do another one, okay? Let's see here. Do, do, do. La, 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 la. I'm gonna use the other screen so you guys raffle. Do, 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 do. That is fun. I like that. Out of 25. Yeah. Isn't that funny, Jason? Okay, let's do another one. Okay, raffles. Okay, this time let's do the full 75, okay? Actually, because I know Jason only has it open, so we could do another one on like later, but so again, make sure you yeah. Wait, why does it say spin again? Wait. Shouldn't it be done already, Jason? Ooh. Yeah, I'm still kind of learning how this. Did it just pick the like? Oh, it's picking the second place now. That's why. Okay. It's picking second place, guys. Second place is Golden Z. In second place, congratulations. Third place. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's do a bigger one. Let's do the $75 giveaway. So then we have bigger prizes. Ooh, someone's gonna win. Uh, Lauren. Is that Lauren? The old cheddar. The old cheddar? Okay, no, old cheddar. Congratulations, old cheddar. You have won a giveaway. Third place. Okay. In fourth place, it's gonna be Yogi, isn't it? No, it's gonna be Ty. Congratulations, Ty. Okay. And then one more. One more. One more. Captain Circles. Let's go. You won $1.64. Oh, that's amazing. That's actually a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun. Yeah, right? That's a lot of fun. This is the most fair wheel ever. It is, isn't it? Okay. Do we want to do another one, Jason? Do we save the monies, the budget for tomorrow? Woohoo! Congratulations, guys. Monies. FFIE is cooking though. My goodness, look at that. That thing is cooking. Again, if you're in this, congratulations. Whether you're making monies in FFIE or making monies on the wheel, Congratulations. These two names are cooking. Whew. La, 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 la. Yeah, that's very cool. Something new, yeah. This is a new streaming service for stonks. Where's Virus? Virus is hiding. So again, if you want to enter the giveaway, guys, this is I'm gonna post this link again in the YouTube chat. That's the link in the YouTube chat for anybody that wants to enter the giveaway. So now we're gonna give away $75. Cool. Okay. Okay. The raffle is open. Let's go. So get your new entries in. Whew, look at those entries come in. This is fun. Anyways, FFIE also hitting brand new highs, and then Crown is done really well. As a sympathy play, it's done really well. Congratulations. Again, if you're holding FFIE still, or if you made monies in this, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat. 135% on that thing there. Cook. Cook. Just click on the link, Paul. G-Wave is following. Another split play. Yeah. I mean, coming from the abyss play is what that is. Coming from the abyss. Let's go, Azul. Natalia, let's go. Trey, congratulations. Well done, guys. Yeah, it's we're gonna need to pay attention to the split list like as the day goes on, and like really pay attention to that list, because if this is a theme in the market, we always want to be first, and usually we are first. When it comes to like themes. Walter, congratulations. Patricia, congratulations. Congratulations, everybody. Well done. Monies, printing monies in FFIE. Yeah. Yes, go Yi. Yi's doubled those points. Doubled the points. Yeah, GDC is bouncing up the bottom there too, so. Let's go, Rob. Let's go, let's go. Kimbella, monies. Well done, guys. Yeah, again, like I said earlier, people will buy anything at any price when it comes to momentum stocks, as long as it's giving them breakouts. As long as it's giving them breakouts. This was another beautiful breakout, right? I can go down on this chart and we can look for breakouts, right? It's really important to understand the retail mindset. Retail does not like to buy stocks that are crashing, right? We do like to buy stocks that are pumping, though, right? So what do you do then? You look for the breakouts, right? Breakout, boom skis. We can go lower, right? You see kind of a breakout there. We can call that a breakout, right? This is a breakout, right? Again, a resistance, dip ski, breakout. Rob, enter the giveaway, Rob. Enter the giveaway. Enter the giveaway. And then there's another breakout, right? Resistance, breakout, boom skis. We can keep going down. So GDC is halted up. Dang, I stopped paying attention to that one for a second, and then look at that. My goodness. Yeah, it's halted right at resistance too. $6.50, 640, 650. Maya is now $100. There you go, Doche. Yeah, at some point you're gonna need to lock in those gains though, please. Alrighty. Okay, let me scroll back to the top. We are getting the famous golden candle right below $8.70 for resistance, but that's a really good push. On Holy, you got in at 466. Congratulations. Okay? So again, you never have to be in a split name before the split happens or immediately after the company does a split. You never have to do that, right? Again, these are low floats. They always run at some point, but you have to wait for the momentum to kick in. Always. Always, always. So make sure again you're paying yourself on the way up. You at least have a stop loss and you're consistently moving that up. Please, right? This is another one of those trash stocks, right? But we can make monies on it though, right? So we make monies and we move on. Why the market sold off like that? Yeah, there really wasn't any news to the markets. Just a crazy dipski. Where do you see your points? Your points should be at the very bottom. Right? The point should be at the very bottom. You keep losing points. Don't lose points, please. Don't lose points. Okay, I'm gonna do the giveaway in a bit, like a minute or so. Or yeah. Okay, who do I have for one-on-ones today? And then I get ready for some one-on-ones. Brian, you know you have Brian Captain. You know you have a one-on-one today, right? So keep that in mind. Exactly, unholy. Exactly, right? Because again, at some point, these guys are gonna drop an offering, um, and then next thing you know, we're back to $2. If there's a promise I can make you is that give this thing a week, a month, it's gonna be back to where it came from, $3, right? Today, that is like the low from today, right? At some point, it's gonna be back to the abyss. So you play with this as long as the technicals align and as long as it keeps giving you these brand new highs, higher lows and higher highs, you're completely okay. Alrighty, don't all of a sudden think that, oh, this is a good investment. It's not a good investment. There you go, you doubled. At two, Captain. Yeah, yes, yes. Let's go. Mike has entered the giveaway. Let's go, Mike. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I like this. This is a lot of fun. It's very interactive. I like it. Eddie lost some points. Eddie, please, no losing of points, please. No losing of points. Don't forget to hit the follow, guys. Hit the follow on Stonks. So then you, for next time, FFIE is halted down. Break below the 9 EMA, we sell off. Typical, right? So the 9 EMA is your best friend on the way up and your worst enemy on the way down. We close below, we go to the abyss. So there you have it, right? Pay yourself on the way up, lock in those gains. Lock in those gains. No diamond hands. Diamond hands is so 2020. AMC. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. Diamond hands are for large caps, good stonks. Ready? Perfect. Perfect. So they're gambling those points, Pyro. So you can risk your points. So at the very bottom of the chat where it says like channel points, you can change those points for like a raffle ticket. So it takes 5 points to get a ticket, and then those points are now used for the raffle, right? You get those points by like watching the stream on here, for example. You get points and other things, and then you can double your points or lose them by doing the tendies or tiers. So you can risk those points. You know, um, sheesh, that's a lot of. I have a lot of points. My goodness, a lot of points. Kelly, don't lose your points, please. Don't lose your points. Chris, okay, let's go. I'm just giving you guys a bit of time so you can earn some points, and then convert those points, and then we could do the giveaway. Alrighty. So yeah, halted down, and the crown is obviously going to sell off too, right? Because they're both kind of connected together. Other than that, there's really nothing else that's moving, right? NDRA, NDRI, again, I mentioned earlier, like I really don't like this stock just because of what the company's done. Air looks like it's coming off a beautiful demand zone right above the 200 in the VWAP, so that's nice. Um, Not horrible, right? So as long as the stock stays above the 200, there's always a chance. There's always a chance that it rallies. Every time your stock is sitting above the 200, there's a chance. Am I wrong, Gary? So 2020, right? Diamond handing is for 2020 and for large cap companies, as long as you've done the research. And then GDC is also still halted up here, so not bad at all. And just found this channel and what I was doing, but I'm all good. Kel, okay, sounds good. Welcome back, though. Welcome back. How's your husband doing? Uh, watching the stream gives you one point per minute. Oh wow, cool. Okay, 1 point per minute. Uh, la, 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 la. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. So we have 80 entries, guys. We're gonna go all the way to 100 entries. Alrighty. So you guys can keep going. There you go, Ravni. Yeah, we're gonna keep going till we get to 100 entries. Alrighty. 100 entries. So that gives you a bit of time to. Damn, you lost 32 points. Oof. Yeah. We're now sitting at 86 entries. So 86 entries, and then we're going to do the spin. You don't see the points, River. Are you over on Stonks because you're still on YouTube's, right? So again, we're almost there, guys. So if you do wanna enter, you can leave the YouTube chat really quickly and then go over to Stonks and enter. You're still going to see the stream on there too, so you can if you want to. Alrighty, so that's the link at the bottom of the chat if you want to. That's okay, Kel. That's okay. So 13 more entries and then we'll be done. So 13 more and then we will be done. La, 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 la. One channel points. Nine more entries and then we will do the spinny. Rob, have you entered? Have you entered the giveaway? Minimize the exposure for the maximize. Yeah, exactly, exactly, Justin. And then you get points for the other one, right? You get the points. Very cool. Again, don't forget there's a $10,000 giveaway next Wednesday, guys. Next Wednesday, $10,000. So when you save up all these points, you can use them next Wednesday for multiple entries on FFIEs for NVDA. Then you use those entries and then you get to pick the price of NVIDIA, right? So the closest to the actual price wins. Obviously, it's going to be split, right? So then you have multiple wins, multiple winners. So yeah, $10,000 giveaway. The link that's right above there, Doje. Which link? No, this one at the bottom of the chat. Doje heard he heard the $10,000 giveaway. Jason, he's like, wait, what? 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 Okay, four more entries. Four more entries. GDC. Oh yeah, that thing is cooking now. Look at that, Sandra. My goodness. All of this for creating a TikTok account, guys. All of this because the company created a TikTok account. A TikTok account, and the stock has been cooking. I think this is okay, not quite at the highs yet. Pre-market was $7.65. I think that's the level we talked about earlier, right? So this to me though looks like a potential double top at 705. So just be careful. That's a really good run, and it's coming off a beautiful level, right? So again, anytime you consolidate and you cross back above the nine, it's a good thing, right? So this one's clearly done that multiple times, and then a double top breakout and a VY breakout. So it looks really good. You just have resistance at the very top there. Resistance at the very tops. Yeah. So congratulations, Kel, on this one. Welcome back. This is a welcome back from the market, to you. So again, that thing hit resistance, right? Surprise? No. Yeah. Surprise, surprise? No, no, no. Okay. You guys are still. There's 110 entries now, so we're gonna pick a winner in a second here. Na, 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 na. Again, the price is $75, guys, and then it's gonna split it up into like, yeah. however many winners, and then yeah, go from there. You did, bunny. Dang, that's frustrating. Yep. So clearly that was resistance. Again, if you go to the left hand side, it looks like a double top, right? So even though the resistance a bit higher, still. Let's go, Ken. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, are you guys ready for the giveaway? Mm, okay. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? As soon as I hit lock, it's over, guys. So get your final entries in. Your final entries, get them in. As soon as I hit the lock, it'll be done. Mike says, "We're ready. We're ready." And then Kelly is trying to gamble those points. TK is trying to gamble those final points. Again, make sure you hit the follow button, guys. Make sure you hit the follow button on Stonks. Alrighty, hit the follow. Alrighty. So then, yeah. Okay, are we ready? Spin me, spin me. Okay, I'm gonna hit the lock, guys. Let's get 100 followers. Yes. Everybody slacks from getting over from YouTube to the, people don't like clicking the links for some reason. You guys slack a lot. Smashing the like, hitting the follow. You guys just like making monies. That's it. I mean, this is making monies. But yeah, unbelievable. You guys need to smash it so we can get to 100. And then you have to enter the raffle, Doje. You have to enter the raffle, right? So not just the points, but you have to enter the raffle as well. So hurry up and enter. Hurry up and enter before I hit the lock. I'm waiting for you, Doche. It's about to be locked. It's about to be locked. Again, make sure you hit the follow. Right? Where's the raffle field? It's see, I know people don't like leaving YouTube to go to Stonks for some reason. So again, this is the link. I'll post the link on the YouTube chat one more time. Phil. So yeah, just click the link and then go over there, and then we'll give you a second to get the entries in. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. So again, Stonks is a brand new service, guys. Already, and it's for, again, it's like YouTube, but for the stock market only. So we obviously stream on YouTube, right? But the stream also goes to Stonks. Some people likes watching on Stonks because it gives you multiple options, right? You can win prizes. There's so many other cool things on there. So yeah, check it out, take a look, and right, you have the earnings calendar on there as well. You can earn a lot of monies over there. So, already, yeah, Phil, are you on the right stream? So click on the stream, click on the hot trade stream. Yeah, you can earn monies, Josh. Monies, 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 monies. Uh, you sent me what you see. Oh, that's because you're not watching the stream. Click on the stream. See how it says hot rates right at the bottom there? Click on the stream. So click on that link and then click on the stream. Alrighty? Yeah, click on the stream. You found it, Phil? Okay, there you go. We're waiting for, there goes the slackers, guys. They're coming. Yeah, you have to click on the stream and then hit the follow button. You slackers. Phil, Doche, click on the follow. All the monies, Jason. All the monies. Earn all the monies. So 140 entries. I'm just waiting for you, last slackers. Alrighty. So last weekend we did the group class on here, right? So like I was asking you guys on the YouTube stream, we usually do these group classes on in Discord. Uh, but if you guys like the video element, we can always stream on stonks as well. We can do the the group class on here as well, right? So again, for some of you guys with a lot of questions like how do I play pre-market? I took this trade, it didn't work out. Like what could I have done better, right? What's a stop loss? How do I manage my stop loss? How do you find all these stonks? What's a 9 EMA? If you have any questions like this, make sure you bring them to the weekend when we do the group class, right? The weekend is not for slacking. The weekend is for taking a second to rest, but also like going back to study your trades over the week and saying, what could I have done better here, right? I lost money this week. How can I do better next week, right? I made money this week. What did I do right? And can I replicate that over and over, right? So we use the weekends for education, 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 right? So anytime you have a question, write that thing down, right? And then over the weekend, we can do a group class and we can answer your question, right? Constant improvement. If you lose money, you don't go cry over the weekend. You don't struggle alone. You don't go say, hey, grandma, I lost monies. I lost my cookie monies. What do I do now? Your grandma is going to slap you and say, hey, alrighty? You don't lose your cookie monies, please. Please. It does, Justin. You like stonks? There you go. Yeah. Yeah, if you like stonks, type yes in the chat. If you like stonks, type yes in the chat. Double the points. Josh is still testing it out. Yeah, there you go. Some, let's goats, let's goats, let's goats. Yeah, there you go. So a lot of you guys do, right? Seems cool. There you go. So you have options. I mean, the fact that you can win monies is a good thing, right? Yeah. The fact that you can win monies. Yeah. A lot of you guys say yes on the YouTube. So a lot of you guys say yes on. Okay, let's do the winners, guys. Are you guys ready? Servers with a cash up button gets the like button from you. Let's go. So, every night they do a giveaway, $1,000 giveaway, on depending on the earnings. So you can always come over here in the evenings and do like a nice little entry. Ready? Okay, are you ready, guys? Let's do the giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna lock it. Okay, it's been locked, and these are all the winners. So it's gonna do 10 winners, guys, and then it's gonna split the monies. So 10 winners already. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Cool? Cool, cool, cool. Okay, are you ready? Again, don't make sure you hit the follow button, guys, on stonks. Spin it. The first winner for the first prize. The first prize, is it gonna be Golden Z? No, it's gonna be TK. Let's go, the kid. Congratulations. Congratulations. Well done. First place. Cool. Cool. Let's spin all together really quickly, and then we can go back and look at the names. So second place. Second place. Sheesh. Let's go, Yi. Yi with the giveaway. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations. Yi's been winning. Winning. Oh, Mash. Congratulations, Mash. Third place. Let's go, Josh. Spin, spin, fourth place. And then obviously the lower goes, the less the prizes, right? So Captain. Okay. Congratulations, Captain. Congratulations. Ooh, that's a tiny name in there. That's a very tiny name. It shows me the winner on the left hand side. I just wanted to zoom in though, really quickly. And then spin, spin, spin. Somebody won, but I don't know who won yet. So you'll find out soon enough. Spin, spin, spin. Ooh, Mike? No, it's not Mike. Somebody with the pink name. Let me just zoom out. That was Jack of all trades, and then Kelly. Kelly before that. So congratulations, Kelly. Kelly, you won $5. Jack, you won $3.50. Okay, spin the wheel again. It was very close, Mike. See, you won monies for free. You won monies for free. Josh has won $2.88. Let's go. The wheel said Josh. Let me make you like it. Okay, in eighth place, guys. No, Josh is rich. And then Ravni, congratulations, Ravni. And then in ninth place, Starbucks Money's Kel. There you go. Starbucks Money's. Muscan, let's go, Muscan. Congratulations. And then in last place, guys, well, I mean, technically not last place, in 10th place is first Jay. Congratulations, Jay. There you go, Jack. There you go. Congratulations. Yeah. But yeah, TK with a nice win, and then Yi, and then Mash, and then Captain, and then Kel, and then yeah. Anyways, congratulations, everybody. Yeah, fun, 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 right? It's nice to make monies and then make monies again. So Andre, that's you. Oh, congratulations, Cap. Congratulations. It looks like, I mean, look at FFIE still looks very good. That was a nice retest of a breakout. So look to the left hand side. Do you see that? Do you see that breakout, guys? That's your resistance. That's your breakout. This is your retest. And then back above the nine, boom skis. Same resistance. The closer you get to like 830 and 850, same resistance. But yeah, very cool. Yeah, so you can retire now first, Jade? Not yet. Maybe keep winning and then we'll talk. Cool. Yeah. So save those points, and then when we get to next Wednesday, you have a lot of points to buy a lot of raffle tickets and maybe win $10,000 or a split of it on Wednesday for NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA earnings, guys, on Wednesday. That's going to be a lot of fun, right? A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Again, make sure you hit the follow button because we will be live on Wednesday, guys, when NVIDIA does their earnings, as we usually are for big earnings. So Wednesday, NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. That was fun, wasn't it? That was a lot of fun. So it does. It does. This platform runs better than YouTube. There you go. It's nice to have options, right? It's nice to have options. Yeah, a lot of people have said that actually. Yeah. Yeah, nice fun break green. Yeah. Right? Monies. So again, your next resistance closer to 830 and 850 for FFIE. So that little 20-cent range there. A lot of money is made on this one today, FFIE. So congratulations if you played with that. But yeah, Jason, what's your favorite thing about stocks? What's your favorite thing? Just curious. What's your favorite thing? Maybe it's something that we don't know about. I'm just looking at Discord here really quickly. And yeah, that double top at $8.30 is still a problem for FFIE. So you need a break above that zone and then go from there. Need a break. Yeah, that's a really cool way to do it. Lucas, where's Lucas? Lucas. Let me make sure my one-on-one is ready, and then I'm gonna hop off already, guys. Otherwise, I'm gonna fall behind. Natalia, make sure is Lucas ready? I know I'm kind of late on my. Well, I just wanted to do this first, and then so we could hop off, so I could go do some other things. Is he napping? I bet you Lucas is napping. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I don't know, Josh. I don't know. I'll try and make it work next time. Josh, you need to change the color of your name to like something nice, I wonder if I can change your name. I don't think I can, Josh. I like when your name is like blue or green instead. Blue or green? Yeah, SMX really hasn't done anything. I think we were waiting for that break above, resistance. It's not breaking above it. He's ready. Okay, I'll be on in 5 minutes. Natalia. Okay, I like it. I like it, Josh. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. Yeah, good bounce off that demand zone, Mr. Chairman. Good bounce. Again, anytime you're watching a stock that's a momentum name and it's sitting above the 200 EMA, there's always a good chance of a bounce. Always. So we can throw this onto the on the the list of names that we will be watching as the day goes on. Alrighty. Obviously, FFIE still has that resistance at 830, and it's not breaking out, right? So that's not a price to be jumping into. It's a double top, right? That's not a breakout for those of you guys looking for the FOMO entry, right? Make sure you're moving your stop loss higher or taking profits at resistance. Josh, much love. Let's go. Have a wonderful rest of the day as well, and see you soon. VLCN, another one of those splits, isn't it? I think we might be onto a theme here. VLCN. Yeah, that thing is cooking. Yup. What does it have in common with FFIE? They're both garbage split stocks. So that's not too bad. Yup, there it goes. There he goes. Right? There was a really good breakout at $1.70 and then boom skis. Let me zoom out really quickly and look at the daily just because we are on the minute. Yeah, so it looks like our next resistance is $2.10, 220. So you want to be careful when we get close to that range. That level is coming from the 20 on the daily, the 20 EMA, and also the previous candle double top. So Wes, alrighty. So 210. Cool, cool, cool. Cook everything, Jameson. Cook everything. Come on. Peloton is cooking. Yeah, I really haven't looked at Peloton today. Um, I know Peloton had news earlier today, and it's done really well. Right, they had earnings in the morning, right? And it's been creating higher lows consistently, which is nice. That was a good breakout too, actually. 440. So, John, congratulations on this one. Yeah, slow and steady. Yeah, exactly. Some really good runs today, Jason. Yeah. Right. So again, when I look at this, I see easy monies, especially if we've had a one-on-one. Right. I see easy monies. Natalia, do you see easy monies? Nikolai, do you see easy monies? Jill, do you see easy monies? You better see easy monies. Again, not a massive run on this one compared to everything else that we've looked at today. Right. 390 MTMB. Congratulations. Yeah, you got in way lower. Yeah, way lower. Way lower. But I like the curl of the demand zone there for Peloton, and then the breakout also looks nice. Natalia says yes, I see easy monies. Cool, right? So, Jill, you see easy monies? Love it. Good. So yeah, again, that's the goal with educational sessions is we want to be able to to work one on one, and just have a conversation and look at charts and see what you can improve on, right? So, and that's exactly what we're doing on these one on ones. Kimbella sees easy monies, yeah, right. So again, you might be sitting in the chat and you're like, how do you guys know that this is easy monies? Like how do you guys see these entries? Well, well, I mean, well, that's what happens when you invest when you invest in yourself, right? So become a gold member and and get some one-on-ones. Cool. uh, drugs are. Oh, Mike. Okay, Mike. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. You have the same name on the one-on-one calendars as you do on the other thing on Stonks. Mike. It's like who's MBTV? Anyways. Alrighty, guys. Again, smash the like on YouTube's, hit the follow button on Stonks. I'm gonna hop off and go do some other things. We will be in Discord, of course. Congratulations to everybody that's won the giveaway. Congrats, congrats. Again, there's another big giveaway, a $10,000 next Wednesday, so that should be fun. Um, Already. And yeah, if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, come join us in Discord. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots already, and come join us. Uh, yeah, there you go, Jason. Yeah, so you can enter the. There's another giveaway today, $1,000. You can also enter that giveaway if you want to. Already, enter that giveaway, $1,000 every single day, and then $10,000 next Wednesday. Be safe. Much love. Thank you all very much for the support. Really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Keep making monies, please. Again, we're going to keep looking at these plays all day today, right? It's not like the market's closing. We're just going to be in Discord. Alrighty? And then maybe be back for Power Hour. Maybe, perhaps. Yeah, you can, Mike, if you want to. Yeah, you can. CM, see you later. Let's go for. Stay blessed, Mike. Peace. Jay, chat soon. Alrighty, y'all. Dan, did you lose points? uh, when is power hour? Power hour is always the last hour of the day. The last hour. Last hour of the day. So as long as the market's cooking, we can come back. If it's slow, then we can just stay in Discord. Alrighty, y'all. Dan. I do like the gifts on there. Jason is gonna add the thrust emoji, the thrust gift at some point, so we can thrust. Dan, can you win some points, please? Yeah, the thrust emoji. So then we could do the thrust. And what? And thrust. You're adding new emotes soon? Yeah. These guys love the thrust. Do you guys wanna do a thrust you guys wanna do the thrust before we leave? The quality looks good, you like it? One okay. Well let's do a final act, guys, and then we can hop off and go back. Are you guys ready for some party time? Jason and everybody else, I apologize for what you're about to see if you've never seen this before, but you can blame some other people in the chat. Heck yeah! YouTube chat says heck yeah. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Alrighty, party people. It's Thursday night. We've made some monies today, and we're about to exercise because you make monies, you exercise, and then you leave, right? Come on, you know what time it is. Let the beat drop. Let the sweat go. Get naked, make monies. When I say and what, you say and thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. It doesn't matter where you are, guys. You could be at the grocery store, at the dentist's office, at work. Take a second and thrust, please. Put your hands up in the sky and give me the fist bumps. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. If you're feeling hot, you're feeling hot, I need you to get on the floor. One hand on the ground, the other hand behind your head. You see the emoji? Give me the thrust. Come on. And what? And thrust. And what? And to the left. And slide. To the right. Come on. To the window. To the wall. When Lambo. Screw, screw. Go. 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 Make monies, get naked, and what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. To the window, to the wall. When Lambo, to the sun, at night. Come on, party people, let's go. Let the sweat drip, 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 drip. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's pretend that never happened, guys. Let's pretend that didn't just happen. And let's pretend that never happened, okay? Okay. Let's pretend we were talking about stocks the whole time. And I think we thrusted the S&P back up. Yeah, when we thrust, things happen in the market. So, alrighty, we're gonna leave it here, guys. Cool. So, Jason, imagine when you have the thrust emoji in the chat. Woo! The live thrust emoji. Oh, that's gonna be fun. This is the most Friday feeling Thursday, Dennis. Love it. Yeah. Don't break your back, please, William. Don't break your back. I slipped a disc in your load. Please stretch before you do this. Stretch. Alrighty, guys. We're gonna leave it here again for today. Be safe, Natalia. Tell Lucas he better be thrusting as he's waiting. And sorry I'm late, but Lucas was also late. He wasn't ready. Yeah, before leaving, yeah, make sure you hit the follow button, guys, if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm not sure, Justin. That's a good question. Not sure. Not sure. Yeah, that's a good question, actually. Justin is asking Jason if Stonks lets you play copyright music. Because, yeah. Let's go, King Cass. Are you connected and good to go in Discord, though? King Cass is loving the vibe. I'm glad I joined. Let's go. Welcome to the community. Welcome, 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 everybody. Right? So, Murdy, thank you. Justin, over on YouTube, no copyright, no copyright, please. Or like no copyright music. Yeah, yeah. We usually don't have copyright music. Um, I think Justin just wanted to know how far we could push. Um, Dan, can you win something? Can you win something? You welcome, William. Good. Alrighty, so again, there's a list of names we will keep looking at once we hop off to Discord. So Peloton looks good in the way that it's retesting the breakout zones and bouncing back up. I like what FFIE is doing because it's almost created a bit of a stock split trend now. So we're going to keep watching these split names. There's a list. If you're not sure what to look for, there's a split list. I'll pull this up really quickly here. There should be a site again. The site is posted in Discord as well. Yeah, for some reason that isn't coming up in my recent searches, so I really don't want to go looking. But I'll post a list in Discord. So with the pump line, yeah, there you go. So VLCN is another one of those names that's recently done a splits and is looking good. Alrighty, so VLCN. So if you need me to look at that list, I can post a list in Discord, and then we can pick out stocks from there. Because usually what happens is a name goes crazy, and then people look for similarities and connect the dots and go look for other names in that specific area and go from there. Yeah, if you have any questions, yeah, just send me an email. I send you a link in your email, King Cass, and then I can also send you another video that helps you connect already. If you need anything else, you can also just search on YouTube, like how to connect Discord to YouTube, and that's all you need. And it's going to show you how to connect. You just have to do that, and then you're good to go. Good try, Justin. Yes. Alrighty, all. Much love. Be safe. Good job today. Monies was made, and let's keep doing the money things. Alrighty. Thank you guys again very much on Stonks for the giveaway. That was a lot of fun. I think that's a good way to introduce people you know, to a new platform. And you guys seem to like it a lot, right, which is good. So, yeah, sure we'll do more of that. And alrighty, all. Again, make sure you hit the follow on Stonks, share the link, and all the other cool things. Cool. Kind of late for everything now, but bye, guys. Bye, all.